How did you do the doings?
Yes.
Nomuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair.
And you know the doings.
Askarai ni de panganoi.
Oh wow.
Ibara isiso.
Ipaka iseso ndoda. Beniyenza kanjani?
You know, like Tina, me and her, we used to find ourselves in a situational problem where we just thought that it would be better if we just chill and not do anything. else.
Be honest, we know phela. Ufuna us disclose manje. Do you want us to disclose ngama wheelchair? Yabo. Aba prefera ukulala ngeside or phezulu or kanje. Abafani, yabo. That's number 1. Number 2, I think most of the times the girl has to be on top, yabo, to make things easier. Ayengifihla mfethu. It seems like umngane wami interested kubo.
I'm very much gay.
If ungaba igay ungajola nami.
Hello?
Why?
You just told me?
She's gay.
You gay? Bitch, I'm gay!
And I like you. You can't be my friend.
Woo!
Welcome back to Unmuted Chaos episode 4. And mawufike lana bafethu sewuyangazi man. Yabo chok kwenye nenyula mfana umeketsele aka short stuff. Mfana nganazandlo enza izinto zenzeke nyethu oye. Ngithanda abangithandayo, ngithanda abangizondayo cause asikho isikhathi sokugqwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi. So lovers, continue showing love. I'm not alone. La ekhaya I'm never alone. There's 2 beautiful ladies and 1 gentleman that you are familiar with. So on my left hand side I'm here with
Hi guys, it's your girl Vuchila aka V.
and
Take them, AKA V.
Obvious. Siyangazi boss.
Afida, mina ngitangabangeni.
back again.
Hello everyone. Hi guys. My name is Sozane. TK.
Matano.
Yabona. Lelo gama ngathi ngithanda nje.
So
Yeah, Sisla. We are here. Watch.
And a beautiful lady.
Hi guys, I'm Mahoto, well known as my piece on all my social medias. It's nice to be here though.
Thank you very much, man. How are you guys doing, man? How are you doing, V?
now I'm fine, Shem. I'm happy to be here. Just like welcome and Unmuted Chaos episode 4. Welcome.
Yeah.
Don't skip guys. Watch everything. It's going to be nice. Yeah.
How are you feeling, my brother?
It has been nice.
I know.
It's still going to be nice.
Okay. So was that. Hey.
How are you doing, bro?
Me, I'm doing good. Me, I'm fine. Me, I'm super obvious.
And how are you doing?
Yeah, I think I'm kind of nervous, but then I'm gonna be okay. Yabo.
Why?
Like I'm trying to settle in kahle. New faces, new people, guys. And let me say, my first time in such a unique podcast. That's why.
Hello,
Thank you,
ma'am.
thank you very much.
Igama lami uThokoza. Wena ubani igama lakho?
Ngitse like Mahoto.
Hayi wena.
Hey,
Yabitho.
Thokozani.
Yabitho wamfana.
Welcome, guys. Welcome
Hey,
to
Yanni.
Unmuted Chaos podcast. So yeah, man. We are going to start with so kala vibing, yabo. Actually, I have some questions, more especially for you, yabo. So I wanted to ask Guguti, will you date someone who is disabled? Firstly,
Honestly.
No, I won't.
reason being.
Reason being, I'm an adventurous person. No? I feel like if I'll say I'm dating you, for instance, and then I want to go hiking, I love going out, I like bouncing and all those things, it's going to be like I'm offending you in some other way. If no, you should stay behind, I'm going for a hiking. Like, it's going to be some of the things that I love the most, ne? I feel like it's going to be difficult for my partner.
Okay, so are you aware that there are people who are disabled and they can do all the things you mentioned?
Yeah, I think they are, ne? Just that, no, man. I feel like, no, I can't, to be honest.
Zani ngikubuza mina mama. Wena kahle kahle like when the thing that you inkinga yakho your problem is that like you feel like when you are dating a disabled person they won't be able to do the things that you feel like you enjoy doing. For example, Leo hiking. What if I told you, Uti, like there are many people that are disabled? Saying like myself, Mina, I'm telling you right now, I am disabled, yes, and I have a disability, and him, that's one. Both of us. I'm not talking because I see the cameras. Understand? I'm speaking because I know the things behind the scenes. This guy can go hiking, and I can also go hiking. It's just that our disabilities, to educate you a bit, our disabilities, they just limit us on certain areas. For example, I cannot dance, but I can do everything.
And to add on that, man, I won't use the word limit, because I mean, yes, there are some things that we can't do, but like there are
Quite
also
few.
some things that you can't do.
Yeah, that's
Right.
why ungathi
So I
limits.
won't use the
Yeah.
word limit,
Yeah.
but I rather use the word we are physically or differently
Yeah.
able.
Yeah.
Meaning we are built in
a different way.
a different way.
Yes.
But like things are the same. Yes, there are people who can't do most of the things by themselves.
Yeah.
And
So the problem is not the looks and how the person is.
No.
It's the accommodations that you want them to have.
Yes. It's
Oh,
not the
okay.
looks and
Oh,
all
the
that.
looks are
since
fine.
since you said you said
okay.
that, what if I respond to you and say I can't do what you want me to do? Then will that change your answer?
No, it won't.
So still you want a disabled person.
Like, I don't have any problem with them, ne?
Mm.
Because I do have friends who are differently fit from me, ne? But then I feel like I won't be able to accommodate you properly, like the way you want to, or the way I have to accommodate you.
I don't want to
I
be
feel like-
accommodated.
You see, that's
I
the problem.
can't.
I don't want you to feel sorry for me.
Yeah, that's
even.
what I was about
I
to
don't
say.
feel sorry.
Mm.
Like, we've been friends for years.
Yeah,
We've been
yes.
dancing together. Like, whatever style I do, I wanted her to do it also.
Yeah.
If in your pants
True.
for sure, I also want her to go down for sure. So I don't feel any pity or any
Pity,
sorry
yeah.
for anyone with disability.
Mara,
I
my
heard
darling.
that he can swim.
Mm.
I can't swim. Like, I can't. So I feel like siyafana, but then in different ways.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
valid.
Mara, my darling, yazikhamba ni. Unayitshela. Hayi kabi mina le ngqondo yakho kuzakuni ukuthi I know into disabled mina ngayishintsha. Mama yazikhamba ni like.
Shintshe ntwana.
Hayi shintsha.
Thembile mntana.
Kanjani manje?
I trust you, my
Ah,
friend.
yakakwazi ungathi athi anyakho njani.
Ovia, Ovi.
Kanjani sikhona thina.
Hawu mntwana.
Abomshamara bangabo.
Abomshamara
Ah,
bangabo.
no.
Sikezile sibasha
Ah, ndoda
siqinile
sibahle
kanti
kanje.
asijolwa.
Oh ndoda. Ah.
Baningi ene baningi.
Oh,
Mfethu.
Mntwana.
thina siyashisa mamela mama yazo. Mina ngiza kujwetsa. Ujwetsa ka need.
Mm.
Wangihlaluganya.
Mm.
Utla ujwetse nna. See like afitla kontshweng ya hore o wena like o motho o disabled ha tshwanetse hore wena o metsetse nix.
Mm.
You understand?
Mm.
Motho o disabled o tlo etsetsa wena. Like nna
Like yeah, may
ke tlo etsetsa wena nna. Wena o
How?
nketsetseng sheba.
may I please say something? I'm sorry to cut you short, my friend. You said how, ne?
Mhm.
As I said, yes, I'm disabled, but the only thing, like, if singaba ku relationship, ngizofuna nje unyenze like to feel like a man.
Mm.
And like how what is basically saying, if you are my lady, or if you were lucky enough to be mine, you see, what I'll do is that, like, anyeke uzivulele umnyango, for example, because umsebenzi we-gentleman, anyeke like ubambe ikhwama ngikhona. Yes, I don't have hands, but trust me, I'll do my best ukuthi like
Ngazwe.
yabo and things like that.
Yebo.
But without wasting any time, and let's not dwell into that. I mean, it's your opinion at the end of the day.
Yeah.
Surely and hopefully maybe one day someone will change that. We don't know.
Let's hope so.
We don't know.
How?
But yeah,
I'll change it.
My friend, we are to you now. I know you will date someone who is disabled. But now my question is, will you date someone who is on a wheelchair?
I've dated someone
Umafana.
who was on a wheelchair.
Will you
And-
do it again though?
If it was her, yes, I would. Like as she was saying, ne, like sometimes it's a matter of not understanding. Ukuthi, like, okay, let me just say, besides understanding, like when you love someone, you are compelled to
Yeah.
only see that person, but not the things, all the barriers, all the difficult, all the burdens that person has. You understand? I once dated someone disabled on a wheelchair, in fact, because I'm also disabled, and I loved her so much, and the love that we shared, I ended up not seeing the disability, but I saw her. You understand?
Definitely, yeah.
I saw her,
Nice.
and
That's nice.
she meant everything to me. You know, my mom knew her mom knew me.
Bekushoda umshado nje.
Ntwana besekushoda umshantambe ngimncane
Inkomo.
plan lamntamba.
These days kulobalwa ngamabuffalo phela.
Ntwana
Saseyinkomo.
bengizomlanda ngamabuffalo.
Kalobolwa ngalama in this
Yeah,
generation
yeah.
people so kani ngazodlalela
Saseyinkomo amabuffalo man.
Fethu ke wambona umuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair. Like, have you ever seen someone on a wheelchair? But thinking, that person thinks, fethu la muntu ntwana, she used to think like ntwana. You know, sometimes obviously we would fight and all those things, and then I would tell her that she's not my mom.
Yeah.
But the way she thought, she had another way of thinking. She had another way of doing things.
Outside disability.
Outside this,
Nje.
mfana she could come. Yo.
Ay wena ngathi sofuna ama LP yazi uyakhuluma ngakhona
I also have
ngathi
experience,
sekafuna
by
ama
the way.
LP
I also have experience
Of
by the
dating
way,
someone on a
in
wheelchair.
a wheelchair. Like,
and we are about to ask you though, but okay.
so like kudependa ngokuthi umuntu ukuthanda kanjani, yabo. Obvious umuntu makakuthanda angeke ubone i-wheelchair, you see.
So the
Like,
condition one doesn't matter to you.
No.
to me it doesn't matter.
So will you date someone ongakwazi ukuzenzela next, because there are people that like are not able to do
Not
anything
ongakwazi ukuzenzela next, of course, but like obviously if you are in, like, angithi khona abantu abamba ngama-electric manual wheelchairs, so if you can, you know, maneuver with the wheelchair, uchief, they, you know, move, I can, because I have. And yeah, lo muntu wakhona, like, he was okay, you know. Maybe the love we shared was real, that I saw, yabo.
Mhlukaniswe yini?
Ay, bafethu ngabuza yena. Mawubukele mfethu, hlukaniswa yini? Uzoniphendula kuma comments.
Ntwana mina.
yini ngathi niyangimonela mina ningibuzi kahle.
Okay, like wena vele boy, athi ngikubuze ntwana.
Yeah.
Ayikabi ntwana. Phela mina nawe sikumene from isikhathi eside, understand?
Umdala.
Manje wena ngifuna ntwana wena mfethu, phela wena mfethu from wheelchair to walking
Wena ngithembile
to
ntwana.
crutches, from crutches to
Ungithembe ngani wena kuqala?
Wena.
bheka.
Yeah.
Wazi
Wheelchair,
wonke.
walking, crutches. Angazi ke sekushoda ukuthi utry nomuntu oblind. Enota wena mfethu angixoxelela ka.
Awusitshela.
Like, okay sharp, when hayi mina
Ngikhona kanjani?
umuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair wena umkhone kanjani? Like
Wena,
yini into
like
ekwenza ukuthi
you
uthanda umuntu ohamba
personally,
nge-wheelchair wena?
Wena personally.
Mina dog, thing is why njola namuntu never minding i-condition yakhe, ne? It's because nami I'm disabled, yabo, and doing this it's more like I'm exploring, yabo, and I mean I love, yabo. Ukuthi ngikhona kanjani shuthi for fun, like crutches what I do take them, but like real love like nemangibona ukuthi okay wena darling ngifuna ukwenza into serious now. There are some aspects that are like engizobhekana now. For example, ugirl oku-wheelchair, I mean I won't go for a permanent relationship nomuntu oku-wheelchair.
Why?
Reason being, I mean, as I said, as disabled people, there are some challenges that we are facing, and I feel like with my condition, I'll have to do a lot for her, or we will struggle. So you see, so it's not my go for area.
Okay.
School wise, vibe wise, connection wise, nah, I don't mind like dating umuntu disabled. I mean, they also deserve love.
Yeah.
They do.
Yabo.
So I
So-
think I had the Vuchila and him there, but then by Kurumele Panti they were like, no, I will never date someone who can do literally anything for themselves.
Mina
Why?
ngeke vele.
Mina
Mina
personally.
ngeke, never. Ayikabi, ngeke ngitholela umuntu
personally,
ongakhona
ne?
ukushuna next.
Eish ngizothini, cause
Okay.
like but you have to know how to do something.
Yeah, how
Like,
very-
When you
at
say
least something.
nothing, like when you say like they don't know how to do anything for themselves, it's like what are
We
we
mean
talking
like
about?
only what they can do is
Eish.
hear and talk.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, like that is
They can't
do
like if they are
anything.
in a wheelchair they
Yeah.
can't maneuver around.
anything.
I've seen some who are who were paralyzed to a point where they can't even turn.
Like the
Embedding.
head, like it's you know.
Yeah, but that's
we
how
don't blame
bad it
them.
is.
It's our opinion.
Yeah.
As
Back,
I am a
back at
disabled
high
person,
school,
yeah.
back at high school, there was this guy that came. He was on a wheelchair, and like he could only the gear, the electric wheelchair. It was on top, so he would drive.
Bekayenza ngomlomo kanje. Yeah,
Yeah.
nathi sigela sithi
Like
you had one of
no
those.
offense.
Yeah,
No
no
offense.
offense. It's
But
your
like he-
opinion. Yeah,
Oh,
sure.
by the way, ne, enye into futhi another thing emnandi ukuthi mina as a guy, I'm the one who goes out and shells the hand. You understand? So
Thokozani ngathi usifakela ama points ku but okay.
I would
Baby,
never.
that's
No matter like serious tanganya ngiyaziphumela ngiyozimokolela.
Mm.
There's no way ukuthi ngihamba nyomokola umuntu engibonayo ukuthi like cause nami nginama difficulties wami, I understand.
yes.
Angangikhona ukuthi ngihambe nyomokola umuntu ekuzofanele ukuthi
Nisokole no i2.
sokole so it's 2 times
Yeah.
times 2.
Yes.
Phela manje asesi times 2 phela. Ayikabi mara like yo. Fanele yo hayi ngiyakhona. Futhi ngiyakhola mara no.
Nah, I'm sorry.
Ah!
I can't.
Kanjani man?
Since siku disability, I wanted to ask you again ukuthi what will be your reaction and like yini izinto ongazenza if you might give birth to umuntu disabled?
That's so easy. I mean, Nyabatanda, I do love them, to be honest. Just that I don't know much about disability, to be honest. For me, disability it's more like someone who can walk, but then only that small
condition.
challenging
Oh.
thing with you. I mean, if I can get a child doesn't have hands, that's mine, to be honest. Like that's mine. I'm gonna love the child. to be
Angisho
honest.
nina ngabu mama. Hayi ntwana.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Man,
love the child, to be honest.
Asingivara ta. Wena ntwana uchwalile ntwana.
Bese
Uyazibona
ngina
na.
mntwana
Bese uthola uchwalile.
Mntwana wakho
Une experience.
mntwana wakho. right?
owami lo mntwana
Exactly.
like I'll do everything for
Wakho.
Bheka.
like ngizohlala phansi nengithi yo fuck god
Why?
ala ungilimazile
Yeah.
mfana
But
but uthando will be there
Exactly.
bro,
Why
and
did your
everything
mom
will
keep
be
you until this
yabo
You know why my mom
Exactly.
kept me? Me, I'll tell you. I'm sorry if you are watching this, mom, but I'll tell you. My mom kept me because she was brave. You know, my mother was never knew that I was gonna turn out like this. Cause growing up, I was a problem-some child. I was a problem. I was in king.
even now.
You understand?
even now yeah
Are
very
you lying now?
asakwazi no
Manje ngincike ngosi
Fana
manje
sikhule now.
ngiyakhonza.
Sikhule now.
Oh,
Ngaphi?
fethu. Like you understand sakhulu. Benginxuse better blind fethu benginxuse nenkinga blind fethu bengazathi like you understand. Like you trauma yokuba disabled. Mina ngizaccept ukuthi ngidisabled mase ngina 17. Bekuyima ikhanda lami xa kusebenza kahle. So ayazi intwana disability and my everywhere you go abantu bazobona. Mara nje. Umama wami beka brave mfethu. And ngendlela umama wami beka brave ngayo mfethu. She would take all the things that people said about me and bottle them up. I understand. Even things that I didn't see. Mfethu. You know ukuthi siphume ama family mfethu. Ama family nabantu abamnyama mfethu. Ama families wethu bahlezi banezinto abazozisho. They always have negative things to say about another person's kid. You understand?
Yeah.
But my mother, she stood and she also fought for that. Even my dad, you know, my dad also played a role because he took me out of the hood and put me in a school that was able, like was taking
Disability
children with accommodating
Disabilities, yeah.
children with disabilities. I
Hope
understand.
School.
And then my dad took me there. If it was not of my dad, and I remained ekas.
yazi mngani I'm talking about that I have
Abumlomo
I
abumnyama,
have a
man.
story
Bemi-
to share
Mm.
like I don't know ukuthi like silwe nabantu abayingakhi man growing up my
Oh.
sister and my like big sister and my little sister but like whenever something bad was said to me yabo I mean I didn't have a problem like with it because like I've accepted that
Same
nothing
here,
will
boy.
change
Same here.
ukuthi ngibheka kanjani
Now
or ucabanga
cry,
kanjani dog
Now
do
would
you
cry. Now would cry.
but like what my sister used to do, like both my sisters used to do, they would go there to that person. Bamshaye. I think that happened like 3 times. There
Butchila.
was once a time where
When
like
ungakhala?
saya
I
kumuntu
would
like saya
cry.
kubo like
Ngizosomncane, I would.
Okay,
Bo-
like, okay, I'm so sorry. Like, the thing is, ne, for me, ne, when I came Kosoweto, but it was the first person like I got to meet who's using crutches, ne? And for me, I feel like I was young. First time I saw her, I was like,
weren't you scared?
no, I was surprised. I was shocked. Okay, at the young age, what's going on?
Oh, yeah.
So like,
Because I was the only one, I think. In
Because
that.
like-
her friends,
Yeah.
Hey, na make us force.
You want one.
Hey, na fesu evi. Ekase force ngizakula
Thokozani,
benyiwana.
wait man,
Okay,
may
yeah,
someone
sorry.
finish a story
Oh,
first
so-
and-
when I look at her friends, ne, will go like to her mom or like an other kubo, and then it'll be like, there's this girl at the street, like, like in some other way. Until her mom called me, and she's like, what's wrong? Why you big so? And I was like, I wanted to ask her what's wrong, but then I'm scared at the same time. Like, okay, Vuchila, what's wrong? Until we became close. She's very young. We became so close, and then I was hiding her as my friend, to be honest. When like I will never post Butila, but then because of I was scared, like my other friends will say, and then what's going on? You understand? Until like until like I received the real love from her, and then I was like, she is my sister.
Thokozani, please remove the stone there.
She is my sister. The love is real, and then this person, like, she's everything that I want, to be honest. So I was like, okay, Vuchila, we are no longer friends, we are now sisters. And then from there, they started saying, okay, guys, we should dance like each and every day, practice dancing, open a YouTube channel, open TikTok accounts. And then I was shocked to see Vuchila like doing everything that we're doing. And then sometimes people like, guys, can I lead? And I'll be like, this girl, like, this
The courage,
exactly.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
I started to be like, okay, guys, Vuchila, she's my sister. I will post her when she dance. I'll post her videos. Like, I wouldn't care. People will text me and be like, and then this girl, I'm like, that's my sister. Because of number one, she serves real love. She's honest. She's just perfect. And she once said to me, Makhoto, I'm not disabled. Please do not say I'm disabled. I'm not disabled. She even gave a speech that I'm not disabled in front of like a lot of people on her Sweet 16. She's like, I'm not disabled. And then I was like, she's not disabled.
Yeah.
So when you guys in this podcast saying, my disability, I'm disabled, will you date someone who's disabled? I'm like, they are going against Butila's rules. Yeah.
physically challenged.
No, yeah, the thing is, we also don't like the word disabled.
Like it
But
sounds
the
so
thing is, like,
Something
the
that-
term people are
Use,
familiar
yeah.
like, with.
And
As I
There's-
said to you, as I mentioned, like, we prefer the word physically
Challenged,
or
yes,
differently able.
able.
but there are
Yes.
also certain areas where we are forced to say we are disabled.
But you're not disabled.
But
I
We are not
know,
disabled.
but like you know, like no offense, like as I said before, like me na fit, I know with it, deep down, me I'm not disabled. I know that I'm not disabled.
Yes, true.
But take me to the store where we buy food and I find a queue that people.
line, Baba. We
Oh, line. Oh, I can line as a shop
But
right.
yeah,
Yeah,
the term doesn't
keep it
change,
pass.
Thokozani.
Do you
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
sifuni
pass.
line thina
amabili.
ukuthi Shoprite or Liquor or
Capitec.
Capitec, I don't
Sikhuluma
I
nge-Capitec,
don't
bafethu.
care.
Ziyazi
You
line
go with
e-Capitec.
Yoko Bank.
Ngizokukhiphela imali mngani wami.
I didn't know for real.
yeah, sifuni
Yes,
line
we
man.
don't
There's
know.
some-
Mamela.
there are a lot
But
of
then one line
advantages
for
here.
your passport.
Lapha ngikhe Home Affairs and
Mina
Hayi
Home
ngimanga
Affairs-
mina line
Soweto.
Home Affairs.
is worse.
Mntwana
Reason
eSoweto.
being, like,
Mntwana
Home
eSoweto,
Affairs
ah.
bayawazi umthetho. You know places like Home Affairs,
They know the law.
esibhedlela yila kungamelanga vele
Ufole
ufole line
line.
because they are like aware.
But then
Mntwana
one line
eSoweto.
and she called me. She
Yeah.
was like, I'm in pains, my legs. What's wrong?
She-
Atibeka line home. Affairs.
wangayenzanga action about it.
Esoweto.
line.
Fethu, kufanele ulale security.
Kwalande kwafika enye security wathi uzwenzani ngamtshela ngisenza passport. Wathi manje wawumelayini.
Lesikhathi uyakuphi kanje?
Ngathi ngifikile
Wenza
la ngabuza
passport.
ngathi ngicela ukuya phambili obvious.
Bolungisa ipassport yokuyava.
Congo.
Wasikhathi uyakonga. Hayi uchiyo.
So menye Congo vele.
Sure.
So benyenza passport then kwafika security wangibuza why ngamtshela ukuthi hey khona umunye ubaba ngithi ngima phambili wathi hey girl imali move. So ngama cause
Yazi into abakhe bayisho.
Yeah, into engisho I'm not too sure ukuthi benginawo or one of my friends. So bekune line and eCapitec. Ne? So now what I do to avoid like idrama nani nani
And baya-
ngingena phakathi
bengikhona
then ngicela umuntu ukuthi like
Sancede.
angincede ngiyokhipha
Bekuyimi
imali like
decision.
ngiyakwazi ukukhipha imali
But
I'm just avoiding
Yeah,
the
drama,
drama nani nani
ukubhekwa, nani
but
nani,
like
yeah.
usually into ebengiyenza bengifohla iline then one day labo bhuti nabo my sister nabo gogo bathi hey iline can't you see this is a line can't you see this is a line
Abang.
and I was like if isikolo sikuhlulile at least ifunda umthetho bodalini bese ngahamba
hey
because I
when
mean like no matter ukuthi abantu bathini no matter ukuthi kwenzakalani guys we didn't make the rules
Lapho
You didn't
bakhona
make
abantu
the law.
abayingakhi
lento
laphaya.
kuyangenzakalela ntwana
Yo.
Fethu like bengiyokhipha imali I understand kwaba khona umuntu othi kimi iline iqala emuva hayibo bengiyokhipha itag mfethu la East Gate ngiyokhipha imali bathi iline iqala emuva ngithi iline iqala emuva kanjani futhi bekuyi security lithi ungena kanjani ngambheka ngathi awuboni
No, makawubonakala.
Wena ubonakala.
Honestly speaking.
Jigisa.
nangijiki
Yeah.
Honestly speaking,
makamazaza
amazaza
Amazaza.
hey
Amazaza.
omunye usisi ukhe washo ukuthi ngiyapretenda ngathi angipretend nix funa le mali manje ngipretenda yini angibonakala kanjani mangihamba ubona ukuthi
Awubonakali.
noma ngihamba hayi mongathi mangihamba unamanga
Okay.
unamanga
But then,
Mele ugijime.
Elani,
Bazokubona.
uthi now we can take you back.
Hey.
Feet, man. You can manage.
It's
Manje
not
ngoba
the
sibonakala
matter of
kufanele
being
sifolile
fit or what but it's the matter of like umthetho and I mean if umthetho usebenza on your advantage then why not use it
Ne?
yebo it's
Siyabonga,
not like
Mr.
like
Ramaphosa.
akhathala
Mara mina
ukufola
ema-bank-
line like ukuma then it's akusinto engako but if something works on your favor then why not do it
Why not use it?
Why
But
not
then,
use it, yabo?
if you guys feel like, see, a fan, we all equal. It's give me some work and then you go sit there. Wait for me to get
hayi asifani baba mina
No,
funny man.
no safana ne
Siyafana ukufana
safana but remember as I said ukuthi like i-disability like iyahluka kwabanye kunabanye abangakwazi ukwenza next there are those who can do 1 2 3 1 2 3 those who yabo so I mean yes we are the same and we want to be treated equally ne?
like
but
other people.
equally to us doesn't mean ukuthi like yonke into eyenzayo nami mele ngiyenze the exact way uyenza ngakhona yabo for example let me say uyawalka ngihamba nge-wheelchair uyakwazi ukufika lapho nami ngiyakwazi ukuphusha lapho we are both getting to the same destination but using different ways nani
Yes.
yabo so what I'm trying to say is that yes we want to be treated equal yes we are the same but there are some things like lento le is just mental facts ukuthi there are some things like la engeke zisebenzele khona like for ukufoli line there are people who won't be able to ukufoli line but they can preach equity they can preach ukuthi abafuna ukuzwela ubuhlungu nani reason being we can do what most of the times like mina I can do what you can do but the difference is I do it differently
Yes.
yabo so yeah
just like cooking fethu vuchila yakena day before izolo mina nomeketsi beshay fethu siyapheka thina hlala siyi
Meketsi.
two man show
mina ngiyalishaya
vuchila vuchila
Bambana.
beshaye rice ne fish ne tin fish
Yeah.
hayi kabi sayithanda ibe imnandi hlala usabe imnandi noma ngathini
Bande ngaphe rice.
yini
hey i-rice ena spices
ngabe
i-rice ena spicy i-rice ine spicy bese
Ayishayile ke. Ngithokozani.
fethu mame fethu ngashaya enye tin fish
Sure.
fethu i-tin fish impilweni yami yonke bengicala uclean i-tin fish ngikhipha amathambo
Ntwana yami.
ntwana ngithe mase ngiceda ukuyiphaka ntwana ngathi mayonnaise
Yes.
yo
Yabo mnandi west.
yo
Mnandi west.
and the way mnandi
That's
ngakhona
mas broke.
like it's definitely different from lezi
ayasobskula ayingeni ne-rice yakhona ayi-qualify
thokozani we are not
Hayi
doing
bo.
that here we are not
Oh,
doing that
honestly.
here my brother
so mara like i-rice yethu ne-tin fish yethu mfana suka i-mayonnaise bese ngavula ama-beans uyawazi ama-beans mos lawa
Ntwana.
ya ngathi ama-beans ngasihlanganisa zoyi-2 zoyi-3
Yes. Mele ungifundise because I can't cook.
it was the first time
Must
It was the first time.
ngimtshelile ukuthi
Mr.
vele
Manga,
I was the
Ngithola
one
ama-steps.
yimo emtshelile ukuthi okay manje khathi onion Tell my food.
Benga.
Be
Ungahlali
honest. Yeah?
Like ungahlali one like
Now
Uhlala
uhlala
ngiyi-one.
one.
Yeah, and I do everything by
Mina
myself.
ngiyamvakashela.
guidance
Everything.
No guardians.
Uyakwazi
And
ukubhala lo
I'm
muntu.
doing perfectly fine, my
Ukwazi
dad.
ukubhala.
Yazi ngijabule kanjani ukuhlala ngiyi-one.
njengoba ngikutshela mama ukuthi like yabo njengoba wena uthi
And yeah, just to showcase, may I please just show you all, including you, with how I write. As I said,
Oh, you have it. Yes, thank you. Finally.
my brother Cody got me sorted.
Finally. Thank you, Cody. Thank you.
Yo Cody, shout out to
We've
Cody,
been
shout
wanting
out
to
to
show the
Cody.
people how he writes.
Shout
His
out to
handwriting
Cody.
is way better than mine. I agree. Asi entana yam.
Amakayihlule yami.
Never. 10 times. 10 times. Yadlula. 10
Kushila
times.
yini?
Idlula neyam
Kushila
handwriting.
kanti wena awusumngani wami wena.
Bantwana.
Wena awusumngani wami.
Ima.
Umngani kabani wena?
Ngifuna ukuthi babone ukuthi
Ima ngifuna ukuthi usho wena umngani kabani.
nginoyi-2.
I don't know how am I going to show this on the screen, but
Jikisa sona ikamera.
like and
Is
then
it-
for the
is it
picture
visible?
it's straight.
should I write it bigger maybe? Should I write it bigger?
Ibhale kakhulu ntwana.
Like how many lines? 4, 5?
Akuyabhala lo muntu. Oh. Bhale exam 2 hours nge-1 hour. Ngiyanitshela.
Cishe ngakhuluma amaphoko
Grade
phoko
level.
mara
Ngiyantshela.
inkingi
Like it's
cishe
Hayi,
ngakhuluma
ngiyantshela.
amaphoko.
phepha le 2 hours akubhale nge-1 hour.
And there was some training or something.
No.
or like,
No, lutho.
Okay, like
Nangenyawo.
I trained myself. Yeah, ngikwazi nokubhala ngenyawo. So usually what I did is when I grew up, like a lot of people were feeling sorry for me and like bebafuna ngizizwe special, and that's what I don't like. Yabo. So it's like seeing you ugeza amazinyo and like I'm looking at myself with how am I
Okay.
going to do that? You see?
Yabo.
Bese ngihlala ngiyi-one
Bese
and
uyazicabanga, bese
try to
uyazifundisa.
maneuver around what I have
Which
to
you
do.
can.
to use it for the benefit of what you have
Yeah,
to do.
bo.
Mama
So,
mamela.
yeah.
I'm shocked.
Ku-
And
kuhle-
then it's
Yabo?
handwriting yakho.
Ushocked ne? Yabona mina
Ina
ngeke-
isine-
bengisasho
Nekilitshela
nekisabulela
film
kuri wena ntwe oyubaba utlu uyisho uri wena ungasi date mo so ubua maka
Yeah, go family zone.
iri nyukuzho
Okay, I'm family zone.
Yeah.
As long as I get the benefits, I'm perfectly fine with that.
Uga,
darling.
Max.
Ne?
Yeah, I'm perfectly
Ne?
fine with that.
mamela mama yazi khamba ne
Like
back
okay.
at high school
Mm.
khona lentwana bengihlala naye etafuleni lentwana bengihlala naye etafuleni yabona ayinazandla like no hands like both hands he only has the shoulders
Nah, you got to go.
yazi
No.
lentwana le yenzani
Idla ngamanyawo.
besides ukudla ya driver
Yeah, he
ya
can drive.
driver
But he's clean,
onjobani
no?
igama lakhe
Usamkele.
Samkelo.
Like you don't have hands.
yabona
at
inyawo
all, like-
zakhe oh mina don't
Yabona
know.
lento le.
uthatha inyawo lakhe leli agcobisa i-peanut butter so
Nah,
athi peanut
and
butter
clean shem,
Adle,
clean.
adle,
like-
Clean.
athathe le nyawo leli sengibona liyafika
The driving part.
Afikise
bro.
la-
The driving part
Driving
is the,
part.
yo.
It doesn't have
Driving,
hand.
ntwana.
Yeah.
to show you ukuthi like people who are differently able they have the capability they just need a little push like from people who support them they just need to be pushed a little bit and then after they in an environment that is conducive and supports them they can do anything
Ntwana, we don't need to be pushed. We need
Support.
uzothi support ne mara. We don't need to be pushed because why made push?
Yeah.
I can.
And I mean,
Come on,
Yazi,
push.
Yazi dog, I've
Push.
dated a lot of girls lava
Aba
like
noma.
aba able.
eh mara
Like a
basihethile
lot.
yong
But then thing is, no, besides okay, I'm kind of responding to what I should. Thing is, they didn't want it to be public. Yabo, to be
Yeah.
like most of the people bebangafuni ukuthi bayazi ukuthi like,
Ngiyajol.
and I was like,
But uyakuthanda.
But then Ilona, let's say we are dating and then I post you on any social media platform. People are gonna come against me.
no
not
they
you.
won't why should they
Serious.
Nah, they will,
They'll be like-
definitely,
they will
yeah.
come against me like when
Uboneni,
you're dating him
what
because
what,
of this,
yeah.
you're dating him because of the benefits. Like I never wanna hear like you're in love with this person, and then trust me, they're gonna bash you until the relationship ends.
Singintshele
as
ke
long
guys.
as I get
mara
the
like
benefits.
like
Abantu
mara
ba
on-
disabled banothando. Try it. Do it. We give love.
Hayi,
Map.
banothando.
Vele
Ntwana,
banothanda. And I wonder
Ntwana,
why most of the
Ntwana.
people that are disabled abangafuni ukujola nabantu
Mara
aba
like-
disabled.
Okay,
Exactly.
yabona
Don't
ngikhuluma
wanna be
It's like
ngokujola.
awulithandi twin lakho.
Bafethu unabona nina nikhuluma ngokujwala.
Cause
Like
actually
on a different context. Mina angikhulumi ngomjomo, mina emjoleni anginathanda. Uthando lwaphela kudala.
Yes.
Like mara like vele abantu abadisabled thina sinalo uthando, siyathanda. We love.
strong ntwana ngenhliziyo yonke.
Like when I love someone, I love them with all my heart. Trust me, I would never tell you that I love you if I don't mean it.
Ne?
When I say I love you, it means I love you.
mean it.
mina ngidlala ngalo mina the word don't even have value
Mina shem
anymore.
You see this guy?
What do you mean you can tell?
Wow.
How?
Judging from the conversation, like I can tell.
Ukuthi unenhliziyo ethanda engathandi
Yeah.
uyapretend.
No,
not pretending, but then Sanda Mantomazan, like he can date like 4 people at the same time.
Ngikhulume meketho ngithu.
Nope, don't talk.
Mm,
But like
Tool.
I have someone like ukhona umuntu engimthandayo ne. Like ngiyamthanda.
And we won.
And
Shem.
we
Like
won.
ngiyamthanda.
I shit.
But then I can't tell you ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. But-
while you don't mean it.
I just want or like you. But yebo.
umenza ukuthi afeel special ngaleso sikhathi.
So that I can get what I want. But it's natural,
Yeah.
man. Most of the people like,
Umfana after all.
Mina side in lamp besides getting what I want. Like honestly speaking, I'm not gonna use my disability on this one. My disability it has no hand in this because I was not even using it.
Yeah.
Like into mina, what made me fall? Okay, I still do love. I love right now. I love. But what made me reduce on my love is that people take advantage.
How?
Like when you love someone, they think that you are leaning on them. You cannot live without them. And
but
that's
true, bro. If your love gets to that point,
you can't
like
live without them.
you can't live without them.
you
That's
know,
true.
like you see, that's how they feel like they become so entitled.
They take
that
advantage
They
of
take
it.
advantage, and then at the same time they thinking, he cannot live without me. I'm his only option. You know, that's the thing. Yeah, that's what I'm speaking to.
Lento leyo ukuthi okay, he's disabled. Without me, akekho omunye
Akekho omunye umuntu
ozomthola.
ozomthola.
Ngoba u-disabled,
screw
right?
that, screw that, screw
Yeah.
that,
Yeah, you see, that's what I'm speaking to. It's like people think like because I'm disabled, cabanga ukuthi like konke kulele kuyena ayikho into engengikhona ukuyenza ngaphandle kwakhe,
Yeah.
which is a lie.
Ne?
Fethu mina ngiyashisa ntwana, mina ngiyazitshela, mina
Ayakwazi
ngikutshela,
mntwana
mina ngidinga ukutshela, mina
Ayakwazi
angidinge
mntwana
umuntu confident booster
Yes.
gcwele
Ngiyakwazi.
galo.
I know.
Uyangizwa? Manje like
Mm.
asidingi, we don't need, like maku relationship nomuntu disabled, respect them, value them, and you will get the benefits of dating a disabled person.
For sure.
You will reap them. And ukujwala nomuntu okhubazekile, like we don't love,
Siqala.
but we don't love because we feel like akekho omunye umuntu esingamthanda. We love you because we are committed to you. Do you understand
True,
this?
yeah,
We
yeah.
love you because we're committed and we feel like we can do this together. But the moment you start taking advantage of that and you break
Yeah,
my heart,
mosh.
mina mfethu inhliziyo amphuka kayi-1 wayiphula kwebisi 2 ayisasebenzi.
Eish, ntwana.
Yabona inkinga yami leyo ne. Like yazi why ngithanda amantombazana kanje. Yabona lama pieces lawa bawa breaking. Wonke umuntu sekane party
Sekane
yakhe.
share.
Yabo.
Wow.
And I mean like
Wow.
like nginothando oluningi. I
Uyabasharela.
like it's more than enough for mina ngiyi-one. I have to share.
Oh,
With other
but
I mean other
children.
kids also
Oh,
deserve
wow.
love.
Mina Shem bengimangele. You know, last week, no, not last week, 2 weeks ago, I was approached by a normal guy. I was very shocked.
Was it the
Shelile
first
vishila
time?
umkelanga.
Was it the first
A
time?
normal guy.
Was it your first
It
time?
was my first time.
Ah.
It was.
Vishila angangitshela.
First or second.
Utheni utheni makashela.
Ntwana, I was like ngiyahamba uyangibona ukuthi okay, uqhwalile kufede fine. Uyeza, hello, unjani ngiyaphila. Can we exchange numbers?
Hayi
I'm
uza
like, ngambuza ngathi usho mina.
hayi
Like asiya umuhle da like okay. Ngiyabonga. Then we exchanged numbers.
Then
of
akushela
course.
kancane efonini.
Obvious akhuluma efonini into zinjalo.
Aye.
But I was very shocked. I didn't think ukuthi obvious akhona ama relationship anjalo ku TikTok ngiyabona. And I get inspired because abantu aba-able they have love Shem.
TikTok.
Yeah.
Abantu are able to have love.
Yeah,
Oh,
for abantu
nama.
aba-disabled they do
do.
actually.
Yeah.
They do because I was shocked.
Like uthando I feel like ukuthandwa umuntu normal.
Mm.
Kunama
Abathandi wena they love a
Chinese into
certain
zenze,
part about you.
Nezinto
But
bayenzela
It's like for example loving unto because of her beauty and nothing more.
yeah.
Mina guys, I'm long approach it, like, I tell you me. Like,
Ah,
yo, like I was very shocked. Like I was shocked. Ngambuza imibuzo emini.
Hey my friend, I hope awukhetshanga phela.
First iso ndoda.
Tano yazi ukuthi ngisahila.
Oh,
Yes.
just a process.
Ngisasa ku process. Angakafiki ish ngisahila.
Let's
Yeah.
jump into the most interesting part
Yebo.
of the podcast. I mean, lento lesiyenza each and every episode.
Kwethu
Sebuyi culture.
TikTok.
Where should I start?
Give
Bayi.
me.
What's your chaotic thought,
Yo.
darling?
Amantix.
Guys, yo guys, I hate taxis with all my heart.
Why?
Ntwana.
Excuse me.
Angazi ukuthi those people think ukuthi we can't talk, we can't count money. Angazi, but kuningi, you know.
Hey
I follow
wena.
line mawugibeli taxi.
No.
Oh.
Why?
Another advantage.
Why?
I don't do that.
I don't do
And
that. Especially on Mondays.
Mm.
Mondays ne? Mondays
Bheka.
itaxi eya eRunback manje esikolweni. Itaxi eRunback iya Keva. Like yabona MTN tang.
Yo, Ntwana.
Ijika izi
Via and
ijika
Smart.
airbox.
Via and Smart ne?
MTN.
Uhamba via and Smart khona imerange yakho ni and Smart.
Mina via young smart.
Yeah, yiyo ke le April.
Oh.
Yes.
Mina ngimeka sure ukuthi mangifika nje maphambili lapho ngiphethe
Straight.
amagwinya ashisayo
Ovi.
namaphalayini. Ngiphethe amagwinya ashisayo namaphalayini. Bangibuza ukuthi ngithi hayi kanjani manje. Ngibonile umama omntana ume phambili nengane yakhe mina ke.
Wena.
So, when V, what did you want us to talk about multi taxi and disabled people?
Like
So-
those people like Nzotin. Guys, they are not accommodative. I can
Have you seen
say.
that though?
Like they are not accommodative. Sharp, get let's talk. Keep on. After robots.
Mm.
After obvious robot maybe ibuthi. Otlo batlo tsamaya. Akso give me a chance to yehla. I mean, I have a third leg.
I'm-
Aren't you
I-
supposed to sit like next to the door?
I
all
am
the time?
sitting. I have to take time. Phela ke pity. Everyone is everywhere.
Yes,
But
they
still,
tell
leave
you-
the door open. Sorry, leave the door open. Just open. Go
and
out.
go.
Like leave the door
No,
open.
guys, literally it takes time. Agreed.
you know the challenges
I take
yalaba
time.
bahamba ngama-wheelchair and use
Yo.
taxis.
Eh,
Kuyang
taxi
usubuhlungu
That guy
bra.
only feels sorry for the
Like
Make it-
yo, bra, it
make
takes
it
it's
like-
not
I
very
Make
nice.
it
Nice.
no
Like,
offense boy.
yeah.
Like Leo
Yo.
part Leo yabantu abahamba ngama-wheelchair, people on wheelchairs
Mm.
and music taxis. Like it pained my heart so much when on Monday, when it was Monday or Thursday when I was going to school. That's stuff last week, Monday or Thursday, between those days. No, it was Monday. As I was going to school, like I was standing in front. I figured she got there, she's having a wheelchair, and then she stood there. But it's scene. Like in my head, I was thinking, everyone must stop so we can put her in, and then everyone can go in so we can put her wheelchair. Everyone went into
Yo,
the taxi.
that's
She
what
was
I
sitting there
hate.
alone.
That's
Bro,
what I
it was so
hate.
painful.
That's
what I
Ukuthi, like the way things are done within our society, like they do not think about ukuthi she's in a wheelchair. How can we assist?
She needs time.
Even the people that were there, the people that were going on the taxi, I blame them.
But ask for help. Well, it's as simple as that.
No, but you can see that I wanna go and it says I'm on a wheelchair.
Yeah,
True. Bakhona abasizayo
no, like
though.
it's why in TK talk. Listen, yes, we do feel sorry for her, none. But I mean, akusabazali bakho labo bantu. But that's what I'm saying. Most of the times, the people like umuntu ozokuthanda kamampela, it's your mother and father.
True.
Besides that, don't expect anything from anyone. bro.
True.
And
You are struggling to get into a taxi, you are using a wheelchair, ask for help. It's simple as that. No, you don't care, you move on.
Mara, they
Into
must be
you can't-
accommodative, hey.
no, but like, as a wheelchair user, you can go everyone.
But then there is no other transport you can use to get to
Besides
somewhere.
the transport.
No, you can go to Brie alone.
Besides the transport.
No, you know the thing
That's
is,
what I'm talking about.
There are people who are on wheelchairs. Bayakwazi ukusigibeza itaxi bayenze yonke into.
Mara-
Yabona if bangamfaka kuqala or like if kungenwa ngeline, that will be much better. Yabo. But
Guys, I know Ria Vaya.
Mara-
Ria Vaya, they'll wait for you.
Yeah,
There's
area
this
via.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
area via
And
is
Auntie, it'll
accommodative.
open
Yeah,
and
area
Yeah,
via.
area via. Oh, guys,
Because
I'm
that's why I'm saying like,
Yeah.
it's my first time hearing Gucci like there's such
Oh,
things.
there are-
Ngeke
A
vaya
lot.
ngahlangana nenye
Yeah,
athi befunda
vaya
Hope
they
School
A lot.
grade
sure.
12 2016 ekuria vaya. Yo,
Ow.
mangithi in clubs Hayi uJohn lo. Mangithi John, athi John. Yizo boss John. Ingena kuriyavaya. Hey, I'm so
Area
happy.
accommodative.
Yeah, because the driver also goes out. I'll
And
check
keep-
until the door
oh.
closes. That's why I'm saying, like, in public transport, I thought everything was okay.
But
No.
yeah, yazi kuma taxi bakhona ama taxi driver
Alungile.
yeah,
Kakhulu,
hayi ukuthi everyone is
Alungile.
like
Yeah.
that, but like such is life
Yeah.
and such
Do
happens.
you pay for your crutches, for your wheelchair?
No,
the
no,
taxi?
No, you don't.
Ah!
But
You don't.
but you don't. But in some cases, ne,
You are forced to pay.
if your wheelchair takes space seat.
You have to
But
pay.
what they usually do is kuhlala umuntu wheelchair khona then wheelchair is phezu
Yeah.
kwakhe nyana.
Or
Yabo.
bayibeke lapha ya.
But-
Standing,
Standing,
lapho phambi
yeah.
kwa-driver, yes.
But sometimes emateksini lapho esitendeni kunomuntu angisho bafuna la
Overload.
extra pansela overload
Overload.
what yabo. So what I'm saying is into engibazwela ubhlungu ngayo is that number one, the time they take ukungenza wheelchair, I feel sorry for the ones more especially abangakwazi ukuzenzela like to move from i-wheelchair to
Mele
a-taxini,
bakhukwe.
then mele bafakele i-taxi futhi, then i-wheelchair space udisturb umuntu ophambi kwakho futhi le wheelchair mayilokhu inyakaza noyamenza ingcolo
And
nani,
bayadineka abantu,
yabo.
hey.
So yeah, even if they don't say it, they do shame.
Yeah, bayadineka mina abantu ngiyababona.
Makami kids ntwana. Uyakhumbula ngikutshela ukuthi siphila movie.
Ay thokozani uqalile. Hayi
Movie yani
hayi
ntwana.
lo uqalile.
Awusitshela movie yani.
Mamela bukile.
Ntwana.
That other day bekabukela i-series ne. Le series le bekayibukela njengoba singiqalile ngijwayela kabi. Njengoba singiqalile lo bekathi ntwana izinto ezenzekala ntwana nyarelate ntwana. Lezi zinto lezi zenzeka in real life. Mara mangimtshela ukuthi every time mangimtshela ukuthi ntwana siphila movie cabanga ukuthi ngiyadlala ntwana siphila movie ntwana.
Ah, sure. Otherwise, my brother, what's your chaotic thought?
My chaotic thought.
Assist.
Yeah, man.
I have a chaotic thought. You know? My chaotic thought is that like why? Like why can you like in a situation whereby you are faced to assist someone with a disability and you can see that that situation is critical, why would you still want to put yourself first? Ubone ukuthi isimo leso sibucayi.
I don't understand.
I also don't understand. Please elaborate.
Yeah.
Let me
further.
elaborate.
Yeah.
Like you can see ukuthi a person is in a critical condition, a disabled person.
Yes.
Ne? Like you see ukuthi like this person needs to do this and leave. But you still want to put yourself first. Why would you do that?
Yeah, dog, as I said, bro, not everyone, like they are not supposed to do that even,
Yeah.
bro. Like it's choice yakho umuntu thokozani. If you are in a condition, ask for help.
Yes.
It's simple as
And
that.
Ntwana, many people are not educated about disability.
Disability,
Honestly,
you see.
they are not educated.
So would you tell me which
And
there are people
and
that still
enye
think,
into ne usizo city hayi asifuni usizo, you don't want help, jiggy they should assume futhi okay now I should help.
Yeah.
Jiggy we don't want your help.
You see?
Jiggy
Yeah.
hey baba into straight, we don't need your help. If you need your help you will
We'll
ask.
ask,
It's simple
yes.
as that.
I will ask when I need for her. I
Hey.
will definitely. I will. You know, I will.
will you also ask me for help?
Come on, I will.
And your
definitely.
chaotic thoughts, darling.
I don't know if it's gonna make sense.
Mhm.
Do you guys have like a specific channel for like a disabled people only, or it's just South Africa being ignorant when it comes to people with disability?
South Africa.
Because of
I can tell you.
Wait.
Wait.
to tell,
let her
like, ne,
finish.
to be honest with you, the time she was going to Congo, ne, she kept on like sending, like updating me with everything, right? So when I post, like, okay, they won, they scored, all those things, people were shocked. People were surprised, like, what's
South
going
Africa.
on?
South Africa.
Who are
my
those
love.
people? What's going on?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
wheelchair basketball, it's not well known.
Yeah.
I didn't hear it on radio station maybe saying there are small children
see?
from South Africa went to
South
Congo to
Africa.
play
It's
for
South Africa,
our
yeah.
country. There was no specific radio station, no TV show that says our South African children went to Congo. So I thought maybe you guys have like your own specific TV show
You don't
Nope.
know.
where they
Absolutely.
play
We
all these
wish.
things.
yazi into ayikhuluma ingihetha kanjani
We
Kau?
wish.
Like the way abantu bakhuluma, like when I brag maybe for example ukuthi hi I'm Wekes Adams currently holding the SA record go swimming, everyone
People
like
don't take you seriously.
Ufuma
Mama,
afwe.
Yeah,
who are
of
you?
course
And
you
they
are.
say, who are you? Why
Yeah,
don't we
yeah.
know you?
But I think
Exactly.
It's South Africa, man, because
Yeah, it's South Africa.
It's South
judging
Africa.
on like Masia Kwamanyama countries or
We
like
are
whatever that happens.
treated
Like,
kahle.
yabona, and they sometimes they do appear on TV. I mean, I've appeared on
Sometimes.
news twice or 3 times.
Me and you, Paul.
Yeah,
And we don't know you.
but
Exactly,
then
you see.
thing is, I feel like they are not doing enough. Number one.
Mhm.
Number two is that I mean, abantu nina, like you are not aware, like anazi ukuthi like abantu aba disabled, like kwenzakalani nani. So what we should work on is that what we should work on, and like with the help of the government nani. I mean, there should be like more of this podcast. Like for example, as you say, good you are not aware, good like more post on over good they won in I want like abantu bebangazi nani. I mean, they should post more kulo nto leyo. I mean, ama adverts now, they should do something about it. And kwamanyama, not all, but amanyama like ezinye indawo overseas, like disability is huge, bro. And disability, like they are aware mfethu, like ukuthi kwenzakala kanje nakanje yabo. But enye into ukuthi ay South Africa thina siyawa, but like kwezinye indawo maybe Germany kudume is swimming ye disability. Italy kudume basketball ye
like
disability.
Canada.
Like it's
Like
so,
Canada.
it's so hard ukuthi like ku Germany kuphela swimming ye disability, basketball ye disability, ini disability zonke zidume endaweni eyi-1. Yeah, yonke indawo ine category yethu, then kuze thina shame inhlupheko zabantu shame that are not
Mamela,
noticed.
mama.
And
As we have a friend of ours that lives in Canada. His name is Clark.
Ah,
That guy,
Clark.
as you know what he said to me, ne? He said to me that he pays $2, I think, per week.
How much is that in rands?
It's a lot of
30 something, I
money.
think.
It's a lot, ne?
Not a lot, bro, but
it's not a
yeah.
lot, but it's $2. It's 30 something rand. Oh, he said that side he pays $2, I think, per week for a bus. He's in a wheelchair. That side they accommodate and they take disability seriously more than this side.
yeah, for sure, I've
Imagine.
heard a lot of that, bro.
Which is
And-
nice.
Very nice.
We should
dog.
be paying 10 right for a taxi.
Oh, 10 rand is a lot, Ntwan. Like whenever the prices go up,
10
you
rand.
know, like first time when I got into a taxi going to Randburg, it was 11 rand. You know how much is it now?
It's 19 rand
Yo.
now.
Yo, man,
You know, every time when I
Shine,
sit-
done.
Every time when I sit on that seat, I think first, and then I couple myself, and then I relax. But like thinking back, it was 11 rand, but now it's 19 rand. When I come back, it's
but
20 rand.
like it's kwenzeka, most of the things ziyakhuphuka, but salary yethu ayikhuphuki. It's fine.
Which
And-
hurts the most.
Yeah, man. As siya kukhethu kuthetha. Yabona maka like basibiza abangani bami ne. Yabona bayangimonela. Like bayangimonela ne.
Yeah.
My king,
Fine.
what's your
We get
chaotic
there.
thoughts?
Nah,
What's your
Yabona
chaotic
bayangimonela ne.
Mina bengizokubuza
Fine.
and yes,
Ask
bengizokubuza.
his
Nah, it's
Chomza,
fine.
what's your chaotic thought?
My
kids?
chaotic thought is so sithola grant ne.
Yeah.
Sithola grant. Grant yami
Beautiful
is
topic.
2.4.
2.3 something.
Four.
2.4.
Four.
Four.
2.3 or something.
It's
Okay,
2.4.
whatever the amount, 2 point, yeah, along those lines. Do you think
You
it's
personally,
enough
for us.
ukuthi sithole leyo mali leyo?
Yeah. do you
And
think-
why?
I think it's more than enough.
No.
Ah,
Eh?
ah,
Wait,
yeah.
wait.
Ah,
Because grant
Mm.
is for your food allowance.
and
For man, you use things that I use. To be honest, our party pampers.
There are people who are disabled.
That
Yeah,
way,
but
yeah.
I'm
Pampers.
talking about people that I see right
Okay,
now.
Okay.
it's fine.
Okay.
I won't expect you to cry for like you wanna wear a Galaxy Boy, but else you ending.
Sithanda impahla kethini.
No, man, but then you can't force government to pay you a lot than the one that you're having now. I feel like it's more than enough for your grocery, clothes, the basic toiletries, and then that's more than enough.
when
Nah,
I'm
it's
wrong.
not.
Ima
So,
vuchini.
you know-
Ima pega. Like
It's
let's say ngikhola Imale grant 2,400.
Okay, why
And
is
then
it not
I
enough
don't-
to that?
I don't
Why?
stay at home. I
Why
don't.
is it
Wait,
First
wait.
thing,
School fees
Nah,
at
land
home.
daughter. Ukuthi you don't stay at home or you stay at home or you what happened?
Exactly.
to-
Were you paying school fees?
No, I was using a bursary at
You.
home school. Esikoleni.
No, let's stick to maybe uqedile ngesikolo.
Sure.
Yeah, like
Then
you're
is grant
done.
enough?
Wenzile
Ukuthi
kashi-
uhlale kini or kwenzakalani?
I
It's
get-
none of the
okay, sharp.
Yeah,
You-
it's 2.4 enough. yes.
2.4 ayikho enough.
Why?
Why?
Why? Because like first of all, isn't
Uh-huh.
the things are more expensive now.
Yes.
Food is expensive.
Exactly, petrol.
Petrol is expensive, and
Exactly.
whenever petrol goes up, we are also included in the petrol.
Yes.
And by the way, they might say that people don't pay taxes, but when we go into the shops like ShopRite, Checkers, we pay tax. Value added at VAT, we pay that
True.
thing. And then taxis. It taxi, when you go in a taxi, when you shooting with R1, the driver doesn't care if you're
Yeah,
disabled or
kuzo-
not.
yeah, kugibela.
You must pay the full amount. You
Yes.
understand? My man, let's say okay, sharp. I get 2.4 ne. I get 2.4. Njoba I get
But ku
2.4.
2.4 what you've mentioned
Yeah.
is aphuma like ku 2.4 uyayithola grocery, ku 2.4 uyayithola imali yokuthi ube ne transport. I mean in
No,
a monthly
actually-
grocery it's like
I wanna ask
1K.
you a question. Do you have
man.
a sibling?
Yes, I do.
Like or sharp or able?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Or Holy Grant.
400.
500.
Yeah, umncane
Exactly.
nakimi yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. They, like what's all of that 400 until like 17 years.
Mm.
I get.
Mm.
Are they crying? 400 rand.
Let-
They spend the money like you spend your money. They also go on taxes,
Tina Sasena.
grocery,
Wait, imathokozani yes.
grocery taxes,
Mm.
whatever. Lento you mention the tax. They go a shop right to buy purity, guys. They pull imali tax. That's the same. 400.
I doubt ukhona umuntu ezokuphendula leyo ngifuna ukuphendula ngakhona. 2.4 for mina. It's not enough.
Okay.
Reason being what you're saying is very much valid, ne? It's very much valid, but remember, I think ukuthi that's why bengithi as focus ku more than 18 grant la grant ingena kimi personal not emzalini nani nani
Yeah.
ukuthi uhlala. I think a grant is given to us because we are limited and abanye abantu like they won't be able to ukuthola umsebenzi yabo, get it? So for example ngiqeda isikolo, then it won't be simple for me ukuthi maybe ngiye ShopRite ngiholele leyo 5K because maybe izinto ezenzakala ShopRite I can't do them and yabo. So I think i-grant i-coverela leyo nto leyo ukuthi like okay when you won't be able to do this, so na imali ekumele uyithole every month yabo. That's one of the reasons why abantu abakuma accident bathola i-ref. It's because okay after the accident angeke usakwazi ukusebenza because amanje usakwazi ukwenza 1 2 3 1 2 3
Sure.
yabo. That's why I think ukuthi it's not enough because I mean life is expensive, man.
Very.
And more disabled
And for
mfethu,
free is 21 rand.
like more disabled life it's more expensive. Example, people on a wheelchair uqedile isikolo uthole 2.4. Now and there you need to buy wheels. People that walk like Thokozani and Vuchila, they need to buy shoes more often.
Yes.
Yeah, well,
Vuchila-
isn't ezinjalo. That's why I
No,
feel like we
yeah.
need more. Yes, angeke sifike ukuthi sikhethe ukuthi government isiphe malini nani nani. We appreciate what we get, but I personally feel like it's not enough. Yabo, because
Yeah.
of the challenges we are facing. Yabo.
And the pay kwalokho
To add on that, to add on that, I mean, it's not advisable for umuntu or disabled ahambe ngeTaxi. We prefer Bolt. It's simple and it's easier and yabo angeke uhlangane nalezo zinto lezo ezinjalo. So that's why I feel like it's not enough.
But have you noticed, Guti, right now you guys have a lot of job opportunities more than us? Because I feel like right now they are prioritizing you, disabled people. Firstly, the learnership, most of them, they will say
Disability. Yeah, that's true.
disability. Most of the learnerships. Universities, like we meet people with disability. Like they are treated in a normal way. Bashapu, they are accommodated perfectly. For instance, I think go UJ, I once saw the transport, disability something.
Mm.
They do have transport for them, Baba educated like us. You guys are more privileged. Literally Hope School. Like trust me.
Yo,
Make
shout out to
to
that
get
school.
them.
Shout out to that school. Yo,
Like you guys.
shout out. That's why I gained
yazi into
confidence.
eyikhulumayo ngiyayizwa ne.
Aye.
I feel
That's
like
why you gain the
I
confidence.
feel like
Of
into
course.
engikhulumayo wena awuyizwa. Yabo? That's why I'm saying I agree nento eyikhulumayo. It's valid. But asibheke with the point ezushilo ukuthi ayishushilo ukuthi it's enough abantu bathola 700 bathola 400 thina sithola 2000 and senzani the same thing. It's more like sinama learnership banama learnership ayisho it's the
hard
same.
for them to get a learnership account. Trust me.
Yeah, it's hard for them, but get this, as I said ukuthi i-grant I think it's for ukuthi like anyeke ukwazi ukwenza ezinye izinto. It's like ku-learnership uyafika ku-learnership uyitholile learnership makufika ku-workspace leyo workspace ayikho into okwazi ukuyenza, so like anyeke kube ne-value emsebenzini uzogcina uqoshwe. I mean lento leyo ukuthi babiza abantu aba-disabled, truth to be told abafuni nabo, it's just because of i-law ithi udinga umuntu e-disabled. If bekuya ngomphathi bengeka lethe umuntu
But you know, the
o-disabled.
learnership that you're doing, yeah.
Get disability, honestly speaking,
What are you
because
doing there?
get a course ya business administration level 3.
And then when you're done, you're gonna get a job. You'll be sitting on a desk.
No,
Uh-uh.
no. When you are done, you look for another one.
You choose, because not next time I'm going to varsity.
You look for another one.
Like
when you are
my
done.
darling, go jwetse ama learnerships they do help us a lot ne?
They do
because we are able to cover a lot of things. Mara at the same time Vitu, like you must figure out when we get to workplace the treatment that we get at the host company where we are hosted is not the same ku workplace. You understand?
Yes.
Like kuba khona ukunyatseka kancane
Kuthi she can't do anything or he can't do anything.
And another okay.
mina bengile ku interview mfethu njengoba ungibona my love mina ngikhuluma kakhulu mina ngi-talkative like ngikhuluma like non-stop like mina mfethu ayikho into engadrop i-confidence yami phansi mina ngiyinja mina ngi-dog.
Yes.
Mina mfethu confident booster mina ngi-boosted confident, you understand? Mara like there was a time when I went for an interview and they approved the way I speak and whatsoever. I had to go to Port Elizabeth for swimming because I was swimming my senior nationals and I was planning to qualify for the Commonwealth Games,
Yes.
which I didn't.
Clock
But
it.
it's fine. 2028 I'm going to the Paralympics. It's fine. Mara, ngithe mangbuya when I came back, that place they already replaced me. After such a beautiful, successful interview, they did not take me. What does that mean? It means ukuthi they see less of me. You understand?
Yeah, and the into is that as abantu aba-disabled man, we are fighting so hard ukuthi
To be seen.
like sifuna
Basibone.
beyond
Yeah.
disability.
The things
So
that
like
we can
ngifuna
do.
mangibona
Body swing.
ungaboni ukuthi
Ngcwali.
hayi akana zandla lo akana in yabo, so silwela ukuthi sibe sin beyond that. So what I do ukuthi whenever I go out you need to be clean.
Yeah.
Whenever I go out you need to smell nice, bro.
Ovi.
At least mangindlula bathi yo lo umuntu akana zandla bese kube nalo yathi makunuka kamnandi,
Yeah.
yabo, something like that. So naleyo nto le I mean
Positivity, boy.
imali nani and to add ukuthi these days mawufuna usizo kumele ukhiphe imali, right? More especially eJozi, ngihlala eJozi eCBD. I've seen umuntu like akakwazi ukuziphusha. Yabona labantu laba base akusama hobo but laba abathengisa estradini nani ukuthi akuphushe akubeke to point A to point B kumele umuphi 20 rand or something. Mawuse shop kumele uthole umuntu ozokunceda ukuguga or like izinto ezinjalo, that's money. Yabo, that's why bengikutshela ukuthi wena mawuthi it's more than enough ibheke beyond. That's why bengavumelani noThokozani maka mention ukudla, transport. I mean for that it's enough, but like for more than that like incane, yabo. Yeah,
Scheme.
and yeah
Like makhuluma ngaleyo ndaba leyo yokuthi umuntu makakusiza fanele umbhadale. Oh my god, asibuya kude ngempilo.
yeah and mngani wami mangikhuluma ngalokho ke sengifuna ukubuza nina manje ukuthi what is it eningayithandi mabangayisho or mabangayenza kini?
What happened? I don't like that question.
Like
What
wabuza ukuthi
happened?
hey wena bakhe bangibuza uthini wena bathini
What's in Ntwana?
bathi kimi angisakhumbuli benye ku swimming uyakana mase swimming angikhiki
Oh
yeah
Oh,
phela
okay.
ngiyazama ngisipha uthi umchita vele ngisha 32 mina ngisho mina ngido bafethu nyoba ngintshela ukuthi mina ngidog na ame nja
Yenja.
I'm a dog mfethu ngifika lapha ngisha 32 32 flats 32.32 yabo
Yeah.
ku 53 yeah bayangibuza ukuthi what happened to you why
I don't like that question.
Fethu I don't like that question
I also don't.
aze ngathi into mind you my mother got pregnant and gave birth to me like this but what I said was you know bro what happened was that I got a car accident you feel me so like in the midst of the car accident
Why lie?
my yeah
Why lie?
why fine chazi into yini
yazi ngithina
You're born
abantu
disabled done.
yazi ngithina abantu
Well,
abadisable
I
mabangibuza
got
lokho
car accident
yeah choose yazi ngithina abantwana like mabangibuza lokho ngiyabatshela
Abantwana.
ngithi
shayiswe moto
if you don't pray you'll get disabled. So you have to pray, Nana.
So they pray
Yeah.
every day.
Laba bangibuza.
ayabayeke
But for me, man, there is nothing umuntu angangibuza yona then ngifile
Mina, it's what
Yabo,
happened.
feel small
because I mean like ngiyathanda like I love being asked about disability yami.
and I love talking
Like,
about
I
it
mean,
too
the manner has to be appropriate, yabo. The manner has to be appropriate. But I love talking about my disability. I love educating, sharing my
Angabuzi
stories.
ngathi uyakuzwela.
So what if I wanna ask you, name, but then ngiyasaba on how are you gonna react? or how you feel.
ungasabi
So like ngikubheke and then ngibhekele like you
That-
understand I keep on looking at you but then I can't ask you. Would you come to me and like
Yeah, ngiyakubheka ngithi what's wrong or like inkinga angikho sure ukuthi ungazi to that point but like mina ngithanda like ngumuntu ofani authoritative nani so mangibhekile ngasho ukuthi ungibhekeni uqala ukubona umuntu o disabled uqala
That's
ukubona umuntu
rude.
onganazandla
And they all
yabo
say
izinto
that.
ezinjalo yeah that's
Why?
my response
Why?
so that
It's too much.
no
It's
it's
rude.
not
Yeah.
Mina ngiyambheka ke
It's not.
ngiyambheka.
Why would
But
you
no,
say
that's
that?
why I'm saying you
Nanyembeki, mina yamlanda.
that's why I'm telling you ukuthi the way I say like it has to be appropriate. It's not like ngiyothi uqala ukubona umuntu o disabled nana ungibhekeni uqala ukubona umuntu o disabled bese uyambheka so that azokhuluma
Yes.
ngiqala ukubona umuntu o disabled do you have a question do
you wanna know anything?
yabo izinto ezinjalo but yeah man ezusho kanjalo that's the only thing I dislike ayikho into umuntu angayisho ezongenza ngizonde something
ngifeel small
but
futhi
mabangibheka kakhulu man I feel like as I
There's
said
something
ukuthi
wrong.
I don't want to be different from others so mangibheka kakhulu ayangizwisa ukuthi okay mina ngifani vele nani yeah. I like yangizwisa
Yeah,
kakhulu
true,
mawulo ukuthi
yeah.
bese manje ubheka ubhekele
Yeah.
ayabona lo yangilaya lo
fethu njengoba ngiphapha kanje mfethu like ngendlela engiphapha ngayo mfethu yabona like ngutaxi mfethu ngikhuluma nefoni like efonini ngibhizi ngiyaphapha mfethu bese kube khona umuntu mana ngibheka kancane kancane plus ukho wabona le
That's why ngithi bacanga ukuthi
uyayibona man
oh the way you use
Yeah,
your phone
man,
you have to
yeah.
be close to your
Bana,
phone
kumele
nana.
ukuthi-
Hey.
yo
Bye.
bese kuba khona lo hleli la athi
uyakubheka.
Yo.
Kwenzekala ngalomjita.
But
yabu
I'm shocked like what's going on?
ngiyawubutsisa he
Like
hore
why?
ngiyawubutsisa na hore
Khotsala.
why ungisheba
Ke.
Why are you putting your phone here?
because I can't see
ufaka ama glass
I can't see
The glasses have to say everything.
okay mawufaka ama glass kusho ukuthini
You can see.
Ama-glass angithatha different.
No,
Ama-lens akhona different all those things.
no mawufaka ama glass like ama glass wokubona ayafana ngisho like ama glass uyawabona ukuthi lawo wokuswenka lawo wokubona angisho uyabona ngisho
Nomuntu angaboni akabeki kanje unless
no the question is umuntu ofaka ama glass uyabona ukuthi lawo wokuswenka lawo wokubona angisho mawufaka ama glass wokubona kusho ukuthini
awuboni kahle.
awuboni
Yes.
kahle angisho so makasondele la efonini
That
kusho
should
ukuthini
tell ukuthi akaboni.
akaboni kahle
Uyibeka kanjani ifone?
Awushaya Ntwana.
No, you're lying.
oh yeah like every time naku video call
Yeah.
ubona isiphongo nelifeliwa
True.
Uyibeke like here.
Akaboni.
Uyabona lo muntu uyathaya.
like he
aboni.
struggles to see man
So to I wear more like
Yeah,
mamela
For him to see.
like ngiyabona mara ngiboni kahle
magazinye izinto ngiyazibona kahle.
yabona uzoxawana nami
Yeah,
Are-
and-
awungixoxele ke wena mama ne sikubuza question like thina sixhwalile thina singakutshela all the day every time ukuthi like how is being able like how does it feel to be able bodied like
so ufuna sikhale manje thina abanye we didn't even get a chance
you must
to-
xoxela like first things first uyabona uhamba kahle unezandla zoyithuna
Wow.
kuney'nyawo zakho ahambe ngekrutches like how does it feel like to have everything in one like how's the feeling
Maka, does it make sense though?
There has
How
to
will
be
I answer?
that one lacking point.
Like
I won't.
how is she supposed to answer that though? But
Like-
like
that
but how
makes
do you
sense,
feel
though.
like okay sharp
Normal,
ngoba
of
uhle
course.
nathi so ukuthi sinje
Abana, your question name, you should ask someone, okay, about right, and then also like a car accident or something. Umbuzo ukuthi, how was it? The time was say right.
Yeah, but- yeah.
Because now you're asking me, I don't know how to answer it, to be honest.
Or
Yeah,
like,
right.
like,
when
I
I-
think it's fine.
or like it's your normal life.
Normal.
Yeah, because that's why Thokozani
Yes.
cow. I mean, most of the people ba normal. So naye maka normal. I mean, like into normal ukuba normal.
Because I
Like-
can't say,
Yabo.
kumnandi nginyawo zithu I can dance. Uyakwazi ukujive. I can't say ngibhala kahle ngezandla zithu I can. He can write.
Okay.
He
Yabo.
can swim. I can't swim.
Yabo.
Okay mina ima
Cabanga.
wo wena wo uyakwazi ukubhala mina yini ozoyisho ngami because uyakwazi ukubhala loyana lo uyakwazi ukuja mina ke
You said you can
So
swim.
drive again.
hayi wena hey sari
Hayi
waka
wena.
una
You said you can
Mina
swim.
mina
I can.
mina darling ngifuna ukupha I platform nje manje. Yabo. So thing is CCT thing is there are a lot of able bodies people like abantu abanormal yabo.
True.
So right now right here you are representing them, right?
yeah
So ngifuna ukukupha i-platform yokuthi ubuze any question
In.
ofuna ukusibuza wona, anyone
Freely,
or
don't be
everyone,
scared, don't be
freely,
scared.
don't be scared. Like be you, ungasabi nokuhleka mayihlekisa nani yabo. This makes abantu ukuthi babe comfortable or bas accept yabo ukuthi bakhona and like iphendula ama questions amaningi abantu abangawazi.
Yes.
So yeah man, any question for anyone or for everyone.
I don't have much questions, name. But then I'm gonna ask simple
Anything.
things like, you said when you're in a relationship, you can open the door for your girl, you can do this and that.
Mm.
You mentioned that you can cook and all those things. It can be romantic, can be nice. What happens if I get too excited? Because like, upege rice and I'm like, yeah, and then nikujampele.
ngizokubamba
Ngijampele like how?
Like
Nikujampele.
Ufuna
and you
ngize
have to
ngizok
carry me.
ufuna ukuza ngizokupepa.
No.
Okay.
Will you be able
Nyakwazi
to
wena.
balance
No, ayisho ngithi ngiyakubonisa but you are not
Namazi.
willing to.
bheka mama like
Ngicela ukukubonisa.
oh
Ngiyacela athi ngayini Thokozani. Ujola naye. Ayisho
Oh,
ngiyakubona.
excuse.
No.
We are showing them the capability.
No.
Ngicela ukupepa tani. Awungithembi.
No, I was like,
Ngicela ungibheke kanje. Awungithembi.
no, it's okay. No, it's okay.
No, yeah, it's okay
You
but
can
like
answer me. Do you have
awungithembi.
like that balance?
The question is, ayisho mina ngikuphendulile. Mangithi woza ngizokubonisa it means I can ayisho.
okay.
So now the question is, awungithembi na?
Akuthembani
Eh?
yawo izandla.
Hey nami kuningi yo.
amara
Hey nami kuningi.
Uchila. Uchila.
No,
sheba
I
o umuntu o
Ambonise.
hana matsoho hana
Bengajabula
lutu
ukumbonisa yazi.
lutu la high one mara umake it one thing about him ne he has one leg this left leg bangalibona makathi nje
Likhona
kanje.
lona, she said
Maka
it's
cheso.
short.
this one this one the long one when it does like this mfethu ngisho able bodies lo muntu lo uvela uviso yabazi uviyo abantu abajimayo do you know that V lenyawo leli lino V la bese lingaka so
Hayi nawe hayi exaggerate hayi.
bese ufisi lo muntu
No balance.
Hayo, perfect.
umekethi kone linye ilanga ngikhulume boy
Angazi uzokhuluma ngani. And uyangithusela makashe kanti.
Khuluma,
Wena
boy.
bathi ngikhulume boy like ngiyacabanga
Khuluma, boy.
uzokhulumela iphi side le story man.
Mind you, it's unmuted chaos. Kuluma boy.
unmuted care
Do me dirty, I do you dirty.
Boy.
I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna talk about something very sensitive.
Okay, do it then.
There was a time when me and Meketi, we were coming from some other place. It was midnight. It was around 2 a.m. And trust me, to show you that disability is not a barrier. We were both disabled, but he has no hands and I have hands. But he was more courageous.
The time
he was more courageous more than me. I was willing to give in. I was having his iPhone 14. It was the time when he was still using a 14. I had his iPhone 14. Was it 1.5?
Yeah, you had. Oh yeah, because Bexley changed. We were going back, ne?
Yeah.
So your phone was left guest house, ne?
Yes.
You had my iPhone. You had 1.5. Yeah. Then what happened is that actually,
he was brave.
Like besiphuma egroove yabo.
Come on,
Masiphuma egroove kanjalo. So the place we were at, but bolts are not allowed. Yabo.
I don't know how many years ago.
We wanted to walk in the when it's safe. Yabo. And I'm like, nah man, why Smeres walk in the when it's safe? Like last best Puke corner.
It was closed.
And I'm like, let's just walk there. Yabo. Masahamba kuzabantu abayi2. But this place is not safe in.
Let's accompany you.
This guy, I think Thokozani ibonile danger mais. And like mina ngibonanga, yabo. So what happened is that mabasambisa kanjalo uThokozani adopa amaglass ayi2. Yabo, amabhodlela ayi2. Yabo. And but there's no need ukuthi nidopa amabhodlela.
Besamba
noyi1.
That's short one.
Omunye bekasilandela besingamboni nokumbona mind you. Athi there's no need ukuthi uphathe amabhodlela uhamba nami. Yabo. Ayingqondweni like bengisola ne, but I'm like le bus state E1. Never. Yabo. Sahamba anyabona manje sebasifaka ehlathini. Yabo.
Lapha ngase Ellis Park.
Yeah, ngase Ellis Park. Ihlathi kumnyama yo lapha now uyabona. Then I don't know how and when. Avela phambili. Lo muntu lo bekahamba nathi bafethu ngesizulu of course athi let's not waste time.
Masingamoshini isikhathi ngipheni konke nikuphethe.
Yabo.
Nama phone maweza.
Ngibheka uThokozani. Yo, ngiyacabanga my iPhone 14 beyingana nemonth. Yabo. Ngiyacabanga and nalo omunye uyeza.
And the iPhone 14 ikimi.
UThokozani bathi mind you ne bayazi ukuthi siyiphethe ifone. Because
bengiyisebenzisa endleleni zami ukubheka iPhone
nani yabo. So bayazi ukuthi siphethe ifone. Nemali bayazi ukuthi siphethe imali.
Siphethe because simthembise 50 rand sengamawuthi ngokuthi 50
yabo. So bathi bring all what you have. Ngacabanga yo. Basondela as soon as there's no time to think like more thinking. As soon as uThokozani was willing, uThokozani ngimthandelani. Ale you go for masiya.
Shout out.
As soon as uThokozani was willing ukukhipha iphone ne aphela abantu labaya ngambheka ngabona ukuthi yakuyi hayi baba aphosa impama
wena mfana
aphosa impama 1 uThokozani ngithi baba
beka iphone ungazokuhlangisa Thokozani uzongibhadala le phone beka le phone uzongihlangisa
beka iphone lama phone bawathatha mabangasishaya ngeke bawathathe nje yo ayabona luckily enough labo bantu nabo bekwamagwala mangicela ukushaya impama uThokozani naye shaya impama sabaphusha sidenzana ukwenza salani la sahamba maka masihamba sishesha sikobe
Vujila masifike eBest Valley yakudala masifike eBest Valley Vujila eBest Valley masifika kuthiwa ke this place is very dangerous. If you gonna pass here we tell you will have to pass everything that you have. Mind you, we like 2.5 kilometers away from Angel's guest house.
Yo man, like lapha
kuthiwe athi ke lapho kube khona iBolt emaye imali yaBolt ime athi uzodropa of umuntu athi lapho ngenani la nihambe
lapho yabona like siceda ukuexperience like cishe sabamba inkonzi manje si walk 2 minutes lapho uthi lani yakhona ku dangerous like ile Baltimore asesithi maka besizofika like a lot of happened more like I mean yangazi noThokozani
more especially C2
more especially at the new gen party bekunomunye umuntu angazi beka yenzani
reminding me now
mude nani so cause of mude uyabona ukuthi okay laba banje nje uyafika uthatha utshwala bethu then uthatha ithini uliphosa phakathi like uyasidalela yabo
Oh, you know what happened, Emo?
Mm.
What happened was that when you joined party, we had our alcohol in a box, and
'Cause
then
they
we
were
had a
not-
plastic,
Yeah.
and then we had ice and the
Yes,
alcohol
yeah.
inside the box. Yabo.
Mm.
So in the midst of that guy uthathe ithini waliphosela phakathi kwe-cooler box yethu
Yes.
eyi-box ne-plastic elimnyama. He thought it was a dustbin, and then I told him, I was like, no bro, this is our cooler box. And then wathi loya mtshita loya, is this a cooler box? Oh no, what the fuck do you mean? Yabo. And then
Yes.
wathi uMaxi, phela manje usijwayela kabi. Bro, I'll make it sometimes Vuchila, I don't want to lie to
When you
you.
go to
I-
clubs, is it like
Yo Tina
Ah, shem
full of
these two.
people?
yabona yayazi Cosmopolitan
Yeah, I do.
siyama loyal customer lapha to the point
you're
ukuthi
still
saziwa
asking.
manage
Go general or you go to.
both
VIP.
nah both let's be honest both
So like you don't get.
no we
Get
prefer VIP but like na general siya
Like
we
a Taba Grove.
we prefer VIP ne so what we do
Asabi.
most of the time masinemali what we do is that siya ku VIP sithenga utshwala ku VIP
Bese siya.
then siya ku general so grove general then makunomuntu operforma ama esimthandayo khona sisheshela VIP nani
You guys are.
Pusha,
yeah.
the stampede,
I
and all
don't
those
give a-
things.
it's
You-
fine it happens
It's part of life.
it's part of life
And-
kunala yo yazi
Yeah,
milanga lami
Taba
likhe lamosheka phi kugcwele ngishaya singi star all white I think bekuyi event ka Bandros
Oh, I remember that. Let's
emanzi like kumyo ngasukuma ngimnyama kanjani mangithi ngizobuyela lapha ya njani njani
Ngapha ugqoka all white.
ngapha
Ekahle
ngizobuyela
all white.
all white. Amayangazi ami ngakhipha istress sami kuyele lo muntu loyo
yasibona skip legends like make it skipper chase
ise captain
Yeah,
it
yeah,
was
yeah.
still it was
new
still
new.
nale
Yeah.
bhuko lekhona bengigqokele
it
captain
was the
Yeah.
first time I qala advertiser le
it was the new it was the new logo of my
the new
brand
logo of the brand.
Please
Yeah.
buy the clothing, guys. Ne?
yeah man
Ah, guys,
bafethu
Vuchila khulumana.
asiyenze into ibe mnandi sivale kamnandi bafethu we are playing a game now
Okay, asiyen.
Truth
Wait,
or dare.
let's go.
but
Mara-
bafethu before we start
Manino,
Mm.
wena mamu uright
I'm okay.
usharp.
Yes.
thokozani sekafuna ukuzishelela manje
Mo angishela.
Tona siku
Okay,
podcast,
it's fine.
Ntwana.
Itlwa kubuthi sege. So wena udula ka mokae?
I can't disclose my location.
Oh yeah,
and
mara
locations.
like udula ka mo like ke a gula mona.
thokozani uthini ka what's wrong
Adlala
mfethu?
igame
I'm far
Tona
from
siyakhe.
here.
You far from where I stay. Like I stay Joburg East.
Are you far from Butila?
No, not so much.
No.
Tona, you in Foslo? I mean, so.
Chill. We don't wanna disclose
Bafethu,
location.
now what
Wow,
you did
it's
was
a- it's
really
an
unnecessary
area.
but it's fine
an area.
truth or dare bafethu just let in game before siqala cela ningithembiseni ukuthi every question asked ne dare emzonipha nizoyenza
Yo mna
Definitely.
yothi
You're not
truth one
promising
way.
anything.
okay if awuyenzi
Asazi ma,
ide
sobona.
sifuna ushaya short i5 seconds non-stop ko 5 seconds if awuyenzi ide or
I-truth
awuphendule
or
umbuzo.
a-dare.
yeah if awuphendule imbuzo
Okay.
This is
and
gonna
if
be
then ufuza 5 seconds so
It's done.
what you'll do so yenza fun ne to not waste time nani so kubuza ukuthi but wena excluding Vuchila ne because I think uzokucabangela so kubuza ukuthi truth or dare then uyakhetha then mawukhetha uyakhetha futhi ukuthi ufuna ukubuzwa ubani ne ufuna ukubuzwa yimi ufuna ukubuzwa uThokozani truth or dare then now is same thing ukuthi ngiyakhetha ngifuna ukubuzwa ubani nani so siqale phi siqale la siqale
Qale
We
la.
can start.
ngis truth or dare kimi bese ngizokhetha ukuthi ngibuzwa ubani
Yeah.
okay dare mina ngithanda izinto ngicela idare ngifuna ukudare ubani ngibheka ngidare ubani
Choose.
ngidare uye ne ngicela mina ngicela ukudare wawo
Are you sure?
I'm sure
Is it possible to have? Okay, I dare you to stand up and do a zap for me.
Ay, zap,
That's
zap,
simple.
zap,
See.
zap ngama zap, 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 tela ngama zap, 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 tela ngama zap, zap, zap. Yeah, you ain't no more.
Ayakutshela. Ngeke wenze next.
Anga ngiyakutshela.
I tell you now. Ngiyakutshela.
truth or dare darling
Truth.
and ufuna ukubuzwa ubani
Hey, anyone.
Hey. Disclosure.
Asian. Booze.
Buza thokozani ke.
Anyone, you can ask. You can
Like
anyone.
I can mention the name of the person that I wanna ask you about.
I will know who you're talking about, so please don't mention the name.
Okay, when I since to anyone meaning singabuza soyithu.
Yeah,
Yo,
ningabuza
Okay.
Mama Mela.
Lahlelana ama
Sikubuza
question.
question, ngikujikela question.
Sure.
Unangu.
Yeah. Okay. You didn't know it. Okay, sharp. Cool. Yeah, him.
Ubumthandani.
Ngombonds yonke into ntwana.
Skile na.
Skile na sayenza. What do you mean? No, like
Answer honestly, yeah. Mskile na.
Skile na.
guys, yeah. Sekana.
It's a yes or no question.
Fuchila.
Buchila, this is simple. Oh,
Skile na ini.
Cabanga nje.
Yes or no?
There's nothing to think about.
There's nothing to think about.
Oh
yeah.
yes. What do you mean?
Okay, mina buchila ngifuna ukukubuza ke
Sure.
ukuthi
On.
uke wajola nomuntu normal kuqala?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah.
Ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi okay, angazi ngibeke kanjani. Ke wabona umbuzo
Beke.
ukhona but like super
Ibeke,
to the way
Kanjani?
amagama wakhona we.
Bag.
But okay, ngifuna ukubuza ukuthi I know abantu ke wajola nabo, ne? I won't say
But it's
names.
two.
I won't say names, ne? But one is on a wheelchair, one
Is walking.
ne? And
One is walking.
walking and short.
No.
Oh.
Can I correct that?
Okay, you never dated,
Yes,
but
but
you
we-
had
yes,
you whatever.
something, yes,
So
yeah.
not ukuthi angifuna ukubuza ukuthi uthanda bani more or in, but my question is
Stones.
simple ukuthi ku easy kuphi? That's all, that like angazi ngibeke kanjani. I understand.
I understand
like,
what you say. Like which one is
Yeah, like
much,
you-
which one do you prefer the most?
Okay, let
not
me.
in terms of love.
Yeah.
though.
Yeah. But which one
What do you
like
mean?
in terms of
Okay, I
the
get you.
doing,
I
the
get
what
you.
what.
ability
Yeah.
and
Ish,
movement?
let me put it this way. Ne?
Nanyazi.
Let me put it this. It's a very difficult question, but both of them, ne, like I got into when you phone.
Which is
Which is
No.
thank you very much.
No.
Yeah, which is
No. I
kanti
can't
so
say-
nina niya kuma relationship nifuna ukuphuma nithola into enifunayo.
No, yeah, like
Now
no.
Mamela,
I'm
Ntwana.
sure like she's having expectations.
Both of them bangi put hand, but one of them angaze ngachola nabo. You know,
Okay.
you get. Mama, sorry if you're watching this, but yeah. Ne.
why close
Both,
mama?
because she doesn't know ukuthi I've been in a relationship because guys.
Bohlatsho mama kamama kuzawujola.
No, yeah.
Bushela mina
Because makuma mama uyamazi umuntu ekhuluma ngaye ne. Uyamazi cause
umuntu engikubuza yona Buchela is that like okay, I kujola wise, but like which do you prefer in terms of okay,
Guys.
umuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair ukwazi ukunyenzela 1 2 3 and not 1 2 3.
I prefer-
Then lona ukwazi ukunyenzela 1 2 3 and not 1 2 3. That's what I'm
both
asking.
of them, I prefer both of them.
Okay.
Yo,
Yes.
Fair enough. It's
I have
fine.
a dare for you.
Okay,
Ah,
Yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay.
them there.
go on.
Okay. I dare you to tell them, not me, or to mention the name of your first crush when you got to Hope School.
Stelo Impilo Sibis. No, honestly speaking, if you're watching, you were my friend. You now yes.
Vuchela ngicabanga ukuthi yimi
But you
Sasha.
also are. Come on, bra.
Whack.
Stelo Impilo Sibis was my first crush.
Kanti bengasimi.
Whack.
Yo guys, sema ngibona lo mntwana. Ha?
Mina bengasi crush yakho.
No, mntwana, you are my friend.
Mara like first day
wena.
uqeda ukungena bonga ngibona.
Nah.
Yo.
No, Stelo Impilo Sibis. I was dead to make. Yo, this episode is dope. Make sure to watch till the end. Let me tell you, I
Vuchila.
was dead.
I was not your crush.
No, you were not.
How come?
What do you mean? How come?
I'm more handsome than Stelo.
Ah, wena.
In my eyes, no.
In your eyes, no.
Yeah.
How come?
Hey.
I saw you as a friend, as a brother.
Stelo was my brother. Honestly speaking, Stelo was my brother when we were still. Because Stelo came into Hope School and he came into my hands and we used to go to swimming together. But I can admit, I loved him so much, but I thought I was your crush.
Ah.
You even thought, oh my god. You even thought, no, Stellan Pila CBC was
I
my
was
first
never your
crush.
crush.
Nah.
Shame. And you only found out good podcast.
Kabang,
Yo.
how do you feel?
Ah,
Oh
that's
my
bad,
friend, I'm so
shame.
sorry like that you have to.
No, she's lying. She knows
Yeah.
the truth.
Ah.
But
He also knows the
Truth
truth.
was there, my brother.
truth.
Truth.
Hayi
Ufuna
wena.
ukubuzwa ubani mina ngiyakucela mina.
Nami ngiyacela.
Mina
Ubuza
ngiyakucela.
wena.
Ah,
Yo, okay.
Okay, ngibuze.
Yeah.
awumbuza. Deep ntwana.
Deep ne.
Let's
Ay,
not
ay,
go
ay, ay, ay.
Ah,
I gave you a chance so that you can ask.
mind you, it's unmuted case ungakhohlwa. Ngicela ukuthi deep.
Bantwana ungabi deep.
Deep.
The question is,
Ntwana iMax.
ayisho uke wajola nomuntu
Okuwheelchair.
okuwheelchair.
Don't go there.
I'm going.
I know where you're going.
Nigga, wait.
Don't go there.
But we are disturbing.
Time.
Listen to the
We
question.
don't have time,
bro.
okay?
Ah, this guy knows.
Ayisho bojola nomuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair. Ne? So mina not in a bad way. Trust me guys, not in a bad way, but
Not
like
in a bad way.
since ngizibuza ne, like generally since ngizibuza because nami lento akaze ngiyenze, and I was asking myself good like
Ntwana ungangibuza.
yabo. So the question is how
I cannot disclose that.
Thokozani, listen to the question, bro. What's wrong,
You
man?
don't even know the question.
Hi bro.
You don't
I
even
should take you boost.
Okay, buza. I wena ntanya kuzona.
Nice, short 5 seconds la. The question is, how did you do the doings? No muntu hamba nge-wheelchair. That's simple. But it doesn't like not necessarily like no muntu wakho, but like
No
like
muntu hamba
abantu like abantu
nge-wheelchair.
baya-assume ka ukuthi okay like
Yeah,
umuntu hamba
how?
nge-wheelchair, how do you do that?
Things.
It's
you
not
know?
I'm not asking this to attack you or something.
Yeah, I know two people
Yeah,
that
bo.
you've dated abaku wheelchair. So
Yeah, bo.
it can be either of
You
them.
can't say two cause one passed away. Hle.
3 yeah.
Okay, Ntwana, 3. But
Should I mention?
she's still part of the thing.
Don't mention the one that me and I and myself were going to get married to. Mention the other one.
KT.
Yo.
Good one.
Kutlwana,
And now
Ntwana.
we have abantu abahamba ngamakirivai. Okay, I take that back.
Yeah, point deep.
You don't say
Answer the
that.
question and
You don't say
I
that.
take that
He's
back.
sorry for that.
I'm sorry for that.
No, I don't care what you guys say.
Okay,
Okay,
please
how-
answer the question.
I loved my one and only about to get married, but things happen. What was your question
The
again?
question
do you
is
do
how did you
things?
do the doings?
Yes.
Nomuntu ohamba nge-wheelchair.
And you know the doings.
Askarai ni de panganoi.
Oh wow.
Bara says,
Ipaka iseso ndoda. Beniyenza kanjani?
you know, like Tina, me and her, we used to find ourselves in a situational problem where we just thought that it would be better if we just chill and not do anything. else.
Be honest, we know phela. Ufuna us disclose manje. Do you want us to disclose? This is an unmuted chaotic. We want chaos.
And
The
I'm
unmuted
curious
simenza
right now.
like
I'm curious.
we want some.
Why are you curious?
Yeah.
Our
wanna
beautiful
know.
guest is very curious.
Thank you
Okay,
very much.
Mamelani. The question is not accurate.
Daughter, don't mention the name. Nathi asazi. Are you sure you've dated 3? Asazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngobani
Yeah.
or what. Asinandaba. We want to know ukuthi how did you do the doings. So when I just explain ukuthi
Thina sesizicabangela
like
ukuthi ubani.
yeah, like besides that, bro, like it's nothing personal.
Khuluma Ntwana, nothing guys, please
Like,
don't take offense. It's
Kill
a
me for
podcast.
it.
Yeah?
Whatever.
Let's
I
short
contribute.
simple because
Please,
now I want
Kaka.
to know
Mm.
how is it possible really to do it with someone on
Lo
a
akafuna
wheelchair?
ukuphendula ngizokuphendula mina
Yes,
dadeng, ne?
please.
On a
Cela
wheelchair
uphuze kuqala.
specifically.
I must
Yeah.
pull, must pull.
On a-
Hayi ayiphuze indoda.
On a wheelchair specifically.
Yeah, ngizomphendula.
Sure.
Cela uphuze la.
Ah,
It's fine.
okay,
so
it's
zenze.
fine.
Eva, withini back?
Awuphuze leso
It's a
stone.
lot.
Lonke.
Usiqede
5
leso-
seconds, more than 5 is less than. Lento ishaya nge 3 seconds. So ayifa ishaya
Then
yonke.
after Lapo, he's no longer taking anything.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
That's when ungawari ngalo lo. Thina si
lost-
permanent kule
Oh.
game.
Asiye
Ungazibhodari.
Thatha istone guys.
Asiye
the
ndoda.
stone, ne?
Shesha,
The
ngizochaza.
stone.
Yonke. Phendula iqiniso. Okay,
Fake, what
shaya
do you
ke.
fake? Unmuted chaos.
Yes,
Yes.
please.
All of it. Guys, get stone.
Guys, get stone ne.
Nas. Nas.
Yeah, get stone.
Get stone.
Shesha ndoda. Yeah. Thokozani.
Siyazi unenkinga ye-stone, so askis. Oh my gosh. Look at the after effects.
After effects, yeah.
Look at the after effects.
But to answer your question, It's just that I also wanted to educate people about this. Ne? Thing is, I thought it will sound better when it comes to him. Probably he thought I'm attacking him or something, but it's nothing.
I didn't
like,
think you were attacking me. I just thought that
it's nothing like. Oh, maybe.
you know what's my problem? My problem was that the way I respect her. Ne?
Okay.
She wouldn't allow me to do such things.
That's
In
why
pu- in
they
public, I
don't
get
say
it.
yeah, but say
Yes,
ukuthi
now-
Why?
niyenza
Yeah.
kanjani. It was never about the
It
girl,
was
man.
like because Ankiri, you were not
Yabo.
gonna mention
Yeah.
her.
But it's
So,
fine.
but
Let's
it's
respect
okay.
your what
It's
yabo
okay.
njaya.
Please answer, yeah.
To answer it, so it differs, yabo. So abantu abakuma wheelchair, they prefer or like there are certain ways abakwazi ukuhlala ngazo or something. Get it? There are people abahamba ngama wheelchair, yabo. Aba prefera ukulala ngeside or phezulu or kanje. Abafani, yabo. That's number one. Number two, I think most of the times the girl has to be on top, yabo, to make things easier. And it's much easier when umuntu anaye normal or ahamba ngamanyawo,
No, besides
yabo.
kuba normal
Because-
nokuhamba ngamanyawo, but it's much easier because you can be normal uhambe ngamanyawo, but you can still have negative things
Yeah.
to say about. But it is better makana muntu azofeel comfortable naye.
Yes.
Umuntu azobona ukuthi mekana.
Oh, yeah, I'm understanding.
Yeah, but
She's
like
safe and that person understands her.
yeah, I get that, ne, but mina ngikhulumela ukuthi like besides to understand and comfortable, ngikhulumela ukuthi like how can it be done, yabo. So that's why it reason why made out okay makahamba nge-wheelchair think you explain it kahle and be elaborate. I mean this is unmuted chaos, yabo. Let me be exact and nan. If they both on a wheelchair, ne, it's much better than lo bakhona abantu bahamba nge-wheelchair, ne, but like amanyawo wabo like are straight and ayagobeka and are straight, yabo, izinto ezinjalo. So it's better when intombazana like makalala then intombazana iba phezu kwakhe, yabo. Number one. Number two, if the guy can walk, then intombazana can lie embedeni at the edge of the bed or something, yabo. Then umuntu ohamba ngamanyawo uzomphakamisa amanyawo kuphela and do the doings, yabo. Then include ukuthi like kunalabo abaprefer ukulala ngamaside nani
So firstly, you
nani.
need to communicate on which part are you
Comfortable
comfortable
with.
with.
Do you communicate?
I don't communicate.
Yeah, you don't need
I
to
don't
communicate.
need to
How?
communicate. I mean,
Angna
language must be the
experience.
same.
No,
You must
I'm
figure
not
that out.
experienced,
Yeah.
so I can't say.
But
I'm
the
not
thing,
'Cause, like,
experienced.
the thing is, like, I mean, I've never done anything inappropriate. But
okay.
like you don't need to communicate about anything. After, as I heard from my brother here, you don't need to communicate about anything. Like, it
I
just
mean, the
happens.
environment has its own language. Like,
Yeah.
you understand that as soon as.
Even-
No music.
Because, I mean,
Eventually.
for example, I'm sure when you know, like,
Wow.
Uguti, you're on a wheelchair, your condition is this, and you can do that.
And you know
Yabo.
your capabilities.
So, as soon as something leads there, then when, like, so many things
Yeah.
yabo. So, it's simple as
Truth
that.
or dare, Morketi Adams.
Angiphendula?
No,
No, you didn't.
that was
No,
mine.
angiphendula.
Can I ask her? Can I ask her?
Niyenzani
Can
guys?
I-
Ophendulanga
Can I
now.
please ask her?
Read, okay, nizongibuza after, it's fine. I'll get one more.
Truth or dare,
Truth or
Makgot?
dare, wena makhoto, wena,
Truth or
you.
dare?
Truth.
Why in Saba Mate?
Eish, mara.
Okay,
No,
mna ngipeni-
three.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
it's fine.
nangipeni dare manthanda
Eish,
ngisabi.
truth. I wanted you to say dare.
Why?
Please say dare. Please change.
Just say
For
dare.
you.
Please.
Yeah, for her.
I know for me you would. Please.
Plus na ukuterile plus.
I dare you to tell us and the people that are watching what happened to your previous relationship. And 'cause-
Botshola.
yeah, it was public.
It was
In
public.
public.
Ima
Mina-
in public isho ukuthi bayaposta ne.
Yeah, YouTube.
Ah.
Hayi wena.
I dare you
Hayi
to,
lengathi.
to
Hey wena, in
educate.
2000 and bani?
I'm very much old.
She's my older sister.
I'm
That's
very,
why I
very
call her
much old.
my older sister.
2005.
She's very old.
Older than
Two.
Thokozani.
Older
Yeah.
than Togozani, yes.
Hayi wena vuchila
Ah,
salingana
wena
na
sibadala.
nani.
No, much old.
Sibadala.
Yeah.
Wena uvuthula
Awu.
uzositela
Awu,
uzosinyathiza la
uvuthula
ekhaya.
uzosinyathiza wena.
Sibadala wena la ekhaya.
No, I'm very much old. You can talk.
Nanga-
Me badala, but
shit.
she's older than you.
Yeah.
But she's my age.
No.
You can talk.
Ngolukwazi okay ask
Uchila, man.
Ukubuza
So-
umbuzo like umguy. Suthu, Pedi.
Kimosotho.
Hey.
Musotho.
ke Mosotho.
Wa ke-
Wa-
wa kithi ne
o kgona
So, like,
hore a jwetse.
wa tseba hore
Ndoda e ya ntabeng.
ko heno ne besides ukuthi umdala nanani but like wa tseba hore ko heno moshemane ke yena like o moholo like natural.
Mara yenta.
Are you aware of that,
Yes.
number one?
Ase
Or are you also
hayata.
aware that ukuthi like umuntu makabuya entabeni umdala nakuwe?
Yes.
Yes, ngizwa ntabeng na.
Wow,
Nkulumo
because
wena.
you are.
Yeah. Sheba.
Wait,
Let's focus to the let's focus to
Yeah,
the
the question that I
Ubuchule
asked.
papa wena bengicabanga
I
ukuthi
dare
umngane wami.
come on, bruh. I dare you to tell us, man, what happened?
Okay, my relationship was publicly.
and it was very beautiful.
Yeah, it is nice. Everything was
Amazing.
nice. Everything was perfect. I don't wanna lie.
Le
And then we're still
lihlukene.
talking. We're still friends. We're still good.
Wow, that's good.
Yes. The thing is, I won't say what happened between me and I because our thing was publicly, but then we had like some little privacy. So
of course.
let me just say we grew apart.
Oh, okay.
Distance again. I moved to Pretoria. She was left go Soweto. Yes. So it affected the relationship, but then we're still okay.
It was a very good collection. Guys, please watch.
Mina-
I don't know if they still have
Mina-
the channel.
No.
Buchila nawe
Mina bafethu I won't hide this ne.
Yeah?
Mina buchila ngumngani wamampela nanani. Darling,
Mm-hmm.
ayeke ngifihle mfethu. It seems like umngani wami interested ku.
I'm very much gay.
Mina ngikho interested.
I told
Mina
them when
ngijona
they
nje.
came, I told them that my friend
Ah,
is gay.
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 I'm so insecure.
So lo muntu otshala na igay.
Yeah.
She's a girl.
She's
yes.
a girl.
So like okay.
Wait.
Ayithanda amantombazane.
No.
Ah, come on.
If
Hey.
if ngaba igay ungajola nami.
Hello.
Why?
Would you wait for me?
Okay, darling.
Like-
Stop.
Wow.
Okay?
Are you showing
I'm
them?
actually gay.
Are you showing them the other side of you?
No.
Wow.
We are gay.
Okay.
And this is our thing.
Yes.
Okay?
Look at that.
Listen, wait. Let me tell you something, okay? I've been gay for the past few years. I just didn't know how to say it. But because you just told me
She's gay.
you gay, bitch, I'm gay.
And I like you. You can't be my friend.
Ooh, guess what?
Friend zone.
Hi, friends of
Back-
Hathi ayisebenzi le procedure.
Can you
Mamela,
ask me
you
get
know
to one
why,
last
no?
question?
I date girls, ne? I feel like if I can be in a relationship with a girl and then I put some supplements, I'm in a deep voice and then I told me like her breasts go big, the relationship ends.
Why?
There's a reason why I said I love girls.
What's the
I want
reason?
boobs. I want ungazumfana,
Okay,
but no.
asingayijikajikisi mina ngiyakufuna.
No, I love girls.
Wait, you don't understand what we're talking about,
Hey,
okay?
ngiyadlala, I take it back guys. Umuntu wami ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi uyayibukela le nto le.
Nami ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi
Nabazali
Umngani
bami.
wami loyo,
Joking, no.
umngani wami loyo,
It's
menza
just-
kanje.
it's just content.
Umngani
It's just
wami loyo.
content. It's just
Content.
YouTube. It's just YouTube.
Umngani wami loyo, ne?
Nothing
Umngani wami.
sensitive. Nothing sensitive, guys. Nothing. To whoever that's watching there and knows who I am, no, it's just content.
Content, guys.
Just content.
Asivaleni guys.
We know who make it
Bofuna
loves.
ukuvala ngo truth or dare or something or
I'm
sival.
shy ngokugcina.
Eh?
Mara senza ngi-favorite
No, I'm
influencer.
Ah,
How can
thank
we
you.
do
How can we
that?
forget
But,
that?
uh,
Asivaleni ngento bafethu.
Favorite influence.
Let's start with you.
Favorite
Podcast
podcaster and
and
favorite
influencer.
vlog.
Matt G.
So my
Imaqala.
So my favorite vlogger influencer, it has to be Siyamthanda, man.
Why?
Anita, because of
Why?
the way I post her quality she serves, and I feel like on camera and off camera she's her.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
And like I mean
She
the
does not
editing,
pretend.
man, like akapori and makakhuluma some like I don't even mind like ukuthi ahlale phansi akhuluma
Oh,
and
yeah,
listen to her.
I
That's how
would.
interesting she is.
Yes.
Yabo. Then
Favorite podcast.
podcast wise, it has to be Sino, man.
Yes.
Sino,
Yes.
Sino has to be because of like energy wise and like Agapur. As soon as that,
Yeah.
so yeah, with something interesting is coming. And
Great. You remember
Yabo.
la vlog besibukele kaGohlubi la lezangane besiqabo peanuts nalezangane ezinye bebagcoke uniform yesikolo and then they were seeing a ghost.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Konje
yeah.
ubani lamntana bekafake isigqoko esikanje esipinki.
Uskindari.
Uskindari.
Oh, Busisiwe.
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 Oh, that girl is nice. Her charisma.
Yeah.
You forgot to say her name.
Okay, let me.
Nah,
okay.
she's not under any of those because I got vloggy anyways.
Yeah, she vlogs like sometimes.
Yeah, it's very
but yeah.
rare for her.
Okay, so my favorite vlogger has to be Siyamthanda, guys. Siyamthanda Anita. Yo guys, ngiyamthanda ngenhliziyo yami yo. Like
And immediately la.
immediately maqaqeda ukuposta I watch guys yo.
Siyamthanda. Hayi futhi ungazongigwadisa. Yabona sikuthanda kangakanani?
Yo bra.
Mawubona le sizohlala la darling.
Please.
Umelwe i-email ne.
Yo.
Uvutshila azo.
Yo, ngiyamthanda blind, like her talks, like everything, her intro. What's up, guys? It's your girl Sia, aka
PG Sprinkles.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Baby, kunalo baby emagcineni but yeah.
Sure, phezulu kwenye nenye ilomlisa uMekhethi Adams umntwana ongaxwasa inhliziyo zakhe ngezinto ezimbi. Ngithanda bangizonda. Asikho isikhathi sokuxwasa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi. Mntwana like leyo intro leyo.
Can I say my favorite podcast? Why no more? My favorite podcast is Unmuted Chaos.
Yes sir.
No, that's also my favorite podcast.
Me
but
too.
Your favorite podcast?
No, my favorite podcast is Unmuted Chaos. Like change.
Akuna muntu omthandayo like ku podcast general like umuntu ku podcast omthandayo rather than igama le podcast but like umuntu omthandayo ku podcast. If your favorite podcast yakho yi Unmuted Chaos, ubani ku Unmuted Chaos omthandayo?
Kalush is my favorite.
Hey ndoda, yekubutshela yini?
Wait.
Udleni?
Okay. Ngaphandle kwe Unmuted Chaos.
You know, it doesn't have to be ngaphandle kwe Unmuted Chaos. Like sifuna umuntu wenza i-podcast ne ngaphandle or ngaphakathi umuntu omthandayo oku podcast like mambukele ku podcast okay wena my go for
there's potential. Okay, everyone ngiyadlala but yeah everyone ayekho umuntu engathi ngiyamthanda
awukho serious
ngiserious yeah ayekho umuntu engathi ngiyamlava to the point ukuthi yazini
before siya kuwe mngani wami futhi ngichazela wonke umuntu ukuthi intro yami ize kanjani ne sure kwenye nenye I mean, greetings leyo mfethu.
Asula butula.
Umuphi lo butula?
Okay, khuluma.
Nami
Cho kwenye ne
ngicabanga yena ne.
Ufezela. Yeah, it is kind of inspired by Ufezela ne. But like I'm just like explaining it ukuthi like iphume kanjani.
No, but Ufezela, wait, can I say something about Ufezela? Ufezela ne, into engifunde ngofezela. I met him once in my life. But Ufezela mfethu, he's not too
what? Akazizwa like
not too big. Akakho big. One thing Ufezela ayitheli. Mfethu ngambona siya ku metric dance and it was my first time ngona Ufezela. Mfethu lamjita lo one thing I know about him ukuthi uzokukhwela. Because ngabona ukuthi ku TikTok izinto azikhulumayo ku smash pass.
But that's a game, man.
But ngithe mangimbona face to face.
But yena uyadisa ke.
Uyadisa. Yo, Ufezela mina ngiyaqwa udisa nama out itanga and not lamjita lo but when I saw him for my first time he's not too big but he's big, you know, he's in a level but he was not too big to speak to me. He's like we even took a picture together, we hugged.
That's into Fezela is big bro. Fezela is big. Thing is akazizwa like out here akacoach akasini njengaba but Fezela is big because I mean at his age we are perform nengoma nabo Uncle MC nengoma nabo Masterpiece like doing the most but ukuthi siqede lento ethi ngiqedelela yabo intro yami Cho kwenye nenye it's greetings ulamfana uMekhethi Adams aka Short Stuff igama lami yabo Cho kwenye nenye umfana uMekhethi Adams aka Short Stuff besithini ngifuna ukubona ukuthi
Cho kwenye nenye ile yamliso uthani
angixwasa inhliziyo ngezinto
Cho kwenye nenye umfana uMekhethi Adams aka Short Stuff umfana onganazandla owenza izinto zenzeke
ngithanda bangithanda
okay wenza kanjani izinto zenzeke ungenazandla
so that futhi angisaqhubi I mean
uyaswima what do you think ukuthi uyapheka
I was shocked okay qhubeka
konje bengithini
shock kwenye
maka man ayikho into engiexplainer like it yes explain yona man
okay
when favorite
favorite
vlogger ne favorite podcast
favorite vlogger ne favorite podcaster yami he may not know me but like uGhostlubi ne uGhostlubi bafethu uGhost unemali sharp but ngendlela enza izinto zakhe ngakhona they are so
Thokozani Favorite vlogger.
Not
He
a
does
prank,
vlog.
Not a prank what, not a
Okay,
YouTuber
he
per se,
doesn't
but like
vlog now.
umuntu vlogger.
He doesn't vlog. Go
Or should we
to
switch it to YouTuber to make it easier?
YouTuber,
then?
yes.
Okay, YouTuber, it's fine, yeah.
Ukohlubi.
Okay, I'll be nation.
Mina mfethu ngibukela ukohlubi mfethu
I'll share the intro yakhe. I'll share the intro yakhe.
Yeah, shall intro goes
Sibonisa ukuthi you are a real fan.
Ish.
What up,
Ah,
everybody?
yes,
It's your boy.
Oh, Mari Kohlubi.
And welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yes. Hi, Kohlubi.
Today, yeah.
Yes, okay. Kohlubi, no
Philippines.
offense. Kohlubi, no offense. Face ungikhathaza masekathi I have what advert bese sibonisa icathulo.
Sneaker kato.
Nika gaso why usibonisa icathulo ngoba sifuna ukubona wena. Bese kuba ufuna peanuts.
Zothathi peanut.
That boy is 16 years.
17.
17.
Ngingambona
La ntwana iphumelele.
Lentwana
yo.
iphumelele.
Shout out to you.
Iphumelele.
Hayo.
The first video,
Your
video
blessings are
yakhe
beyond.
yokuqala engayibuka, the first video I've ever watched. It was that time ubaba kamdabula ngempama.
Le expelled.
Hey, naleli video
Hayi, la
yamanje.
expert.
Yamanje le yenya
He was not
kudala.
expelled.
Yakudala.
Jamala
Yakudala.
yakudala imfaka
Ubaba
imbaba.
ke angazi oh no bekathe i-TV
Imoshekile ya.
Yo.
Yeah, I remember that.
abo baba bamaxhosa
Namanje ndoda.
abo baba
Ibaba le
bamaxhosa
yathi ucanga ukuthi indoda wena. La ekhaya uzoba indoda
Eh,
bongaye entabeni uphinde
isikolo.
manje ukhuluma lezi like i-prank turn into a life lesson
Yeah.
after kushawa ngeimbama like uyabona.
yo ale baba yayifaka induku azakhuzwe na ubhutika peanuts omdala but that boy he went too far like he is as
Yeah,
like,
it's like content is him, he is
Yo,
content.
yo.
That's why naye aphumelele.
Yeah.
Succeeded in life, that guy. Shem.
oh nalo
And your
mntana loya
And
Khona
your
favorite
favorite
Podcast.
podcaster like umuntu oku-podcast omthandayo.
Meg G.
Meg G.
You know why
Shout out
Why,
to
bro?
you.
uMeg G bafethu ukhuluma iqiniso
Yeah.
nyambona konjubani loya
Usino.
lo sidudla loya
Ubani?
oshoda
uSol.
uSol nyambona uSol uMeg G ukutshela straight forward ukuthi this is this la
Yeah.
we are bad
Yeah, into engiyithandayo ngayo but
I love Meg G
I love ngiyi-Gen Z ndoda.
Meg G, can you call me once call me once my king you will not regret me I don't
Ne.
Awuthokozani wena umdala ndoda thina sama-Gen Z. Yazi ama-podcast aka-Meg G abukelwa abantu abadala. It's like buza abantu
like-
no inkinga ukuthi izinto
ngigcina ku-TikTok. Yeah.
no inkinga ukuthi uMeg G like uMeg G bayafundisa they teach you about a lot of things
For sure.
and there was a time when uMeg G bebakhuluma ngokuthi like angazi kube kwenzakalani I'm not gonna mention names angazi bekwenzakalani phakathi kwabnabo and then he started calling the girlfriend of the guy ukuthi what hey let's leave this.
It's fine.
Okay.
And you darling.
Kgaotso.
I don't have a favorite vlogger.
me podcaster me
Wow.
I don't have a favorite vlogger.
Favorite YouTuber maybe?
And then, as
Come
for
on,
a
so
podcast,
that-
gonna be Sino.
Sino lo ku-open chats ne?
Open chats. And I love open chats. I love Sino. Reason being, number one, uyakwazi ukuprovoke a person ne? At the same time, if something comes in a bad way,
Yeah,
you
kwazi
can
ukuyi-change
stop it.
i-narrative,
Exactly.
yeah.
I love that. Like uyakwazi ukuyistop and like, oh okay guys, trouble, and then uyayithanda neindaba.
Yeah.
Like he got his own way to make the podcast
Fun.
wow. At the same time, I wish
Yeah,
guys,
yeah,
let's
okay.
come back.
Yeah.
So I love that guy.
And into engiyithandayo ngayo futhi like he might be funny but like makufika ama-points aserious
Yeah.
still uyawakhipha ama-points
Yeah.
avalid like uyamuzwa ukuthi lo muntu lo
He can keep the podcast.
yeah for sure.
going
Yeah.
I also like Usmiley. Oh,
Smile, yeah, as a
Smiley for the
YouTuber,
babies.
Smile.
Smile a lot. Like take
Eh,
a lot.
wena,
Take
bheka.
a lot.
Usmiley
Breadwinner.
khona le ntwana
So,
khona lo mthiza lo
okay.
ohlomeka ishula
Iphelile.
Snazze the deck.
Bafethu, if you've reached here, make sure you comment, like, share, and do the most. Share with your friends and family without wasting any time. Thank you very much, Bafethu. More coming, more bangers coming. Danko.